Good morning, good morning, good morning. We finna get shit started for sure.
Good morning, y'all.
What the fuck? Poppin'. Hold on, we live on YouTube too. Hold on. Give me one second while I get all the shit. While I get all the shit fucking situated. Hold on one second. Give me a second. What's good with y'all, man? Happy motherfucking Monday. Hello.
What's good, Tracy?
What's poppin'? Man, we live on YouTube. Live with our whole team, man. Come join the live. Let's get this music going, man. Let's get this shit warm the fuck up for this good motherfucking Monday morning. You
You
know what
got
I
news.
mean? Huh?
You got news tomorrow. The market should blake.
Type shit. Type shit. Type shit. Type shit. Let's see what the fuck going on. Hope everybody had an amazing weekend as always. You know what I mean? Ready to get back to the motherfucking money. Look at my baby. Look at GJ, y'all. I told y'all that bitch was gonna drop, boy. I told y'all that bitch was gonna drop, didn't I? Ooh.
I was in there, bitch. I should have held that hoe. That bitch kept falling.
That bitch dropping. That bitch dropping, boy.
But I held that bitch over the weekend. Them fees is crazy on GJ.
Yeah, that bitch got the blanket. That bitch got the blankets. Hold up.
He's playing with something called clickers. I think I was gonna ask the teacher, can you make your own questions or whatever? But I think when you sign up, they almost look like ink blots. But what it is you go to whatever topic and you turn the card based on if you want it to stay security. And then you have to have an icon or something, scan it, and then it puts everybody's answers up without, you know, showing. Huh?
All right, what's poppin'? Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. First things first, let's go ahead and close that Nas box. She obviously ain't fucking with the goddamn gang on this good Monday morning. So we're gonna start our markup right the fuck there. Before we even start the markup, you see what I'm saying? How was everybody's weekend? I hope everybody had a blessed, amazing weekend. I hope everybody was able to get some well needed rest because we back to put belt the ass on these markets. We got a little bit of good price action left. You dig what I'm saying? As far as like time and price goes, you know what I mean? We already know that the last few months of the year be some bullshit, and we're literally what? We're like 2 days away from the fourth quarter. You know what I mean? We're 2 days away from the fourth quarter. So seasonal tendencies show that the fourth quarter's price action slows the fuck down. Not to say that we're not gonna be able to make no money and nothing like that. You feel what I'm saying? But the opportunities definitely lessen. The markets get a lot more choppy, a lot more manipulative, things of that nature. Saying that to say now is the time to get to diving in to anything that you have been learning with us. You dig what I'm saying? Now is the time to take this time out to study hard. Get some type of fucking go study something. Get a course. Get a mentor. Get something, and dive in. You know what I'm saying? Because we use this time, especially in my CS game, we use this time to dive the fuck into the markets. That's why new ICT been fired. Yeah, we finna watch that. Goddamn, that's probably why that nigga dropping these shits now. You see what I'm saying? Because he know good and goddamn well price action ain't finna be on shit. He used to use his time out to study. You dig what I'm saying? So I just wanted to throw that out there. That don't got nothing to do with these charts we looking at, but I just wanted to throw that shit the fuck out here because once again, we are like 2 days away from the fourth quarter. Everybody be using this whole fourth quarter. It's winter time. It's time to lock in. It's time to lock in. Nigga, first of all, you should have been locked in the whole goddamn year. I ain't trying to hear that. Y'all know when niggas use the goddamn seasons to be like, oh, goddamn, it's getting cold outside. Now the time to lock in so we can pop out during the summer. You should have never been locked out, boy. You should have never been locked out, boy. Oh God. But you know what I mean? If that's you, if you're one of those niggas, then you know what I'm saying? Dive the fuck in. You don't got no excuses now. You don't got no excuses now. It's time, nigga. It is time. All right. Let's come over here to the motherfucking NASDAQ because she has been playing, obviously. You know what I'm saying? I did call a little buy Iani, and she ain't playing. She ain't, you know what I mean? We in a little bit of drawdown right now, so I wanted y'all to, I don't know how I'm feeling about her. You know what I'm saying? Our stop losses right here at this low. We bought right here at 50%, so obviously that's a decent amount of drawdown. Let's go over why I told you guys to buy this motherfucker, why I just told you guys to close that bitch, etc., etc. All right? So, first things first, we already know what's up with Nas, bro. Ain't too much that we have to talk about when it comes to how bullish this motherfucker is. That bitch pushing like it never pushed before. You know what I'm saying? So when it comes to it being this high, y'all know the rules, bro. Keep going with the trend till the trend fails. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, I seen price hit this little shaboing right here. Y'all know my play. Y'all know my play. Run on stops, boom, break a structure. She had stopped short of new all-time highs with see how close she had came to new all-time highs without running them bitches. So I was viewing those as equal highs. I felt like she wanted to go get them all-time highs real quick. Obviously saying fuck everything I'm talking about, which is why I went ahead and told y'all to close this bitch early. Now she's gonna look like she wants to come a little bit lower to get some of these imbalances right here. London low. I hear London low. That's a good area to look for buys too. We got fucking untouched value, imbalances, things of that nature. So y'all already know what's up. In the rare times that we get stopped out, nigga, we just a little bit too early to the party. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna look for another re-entry the second that she comes down here and like smack these lows and shit. I promise you, this bitch ain't going too goddamn far, especially when we just created these goddamn equal highs right at new all-time highs right like this. This next pullback sends this bitch. Sends it. You see what I'm saying? No 100% confidence, not near a doubt in my mind. Next pullback on Nas sends this bitch up to the moon, which is a little bit too early. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to look for price to come down here and run a little bit of liquidity. You know what I'm saying? Potentially London low, potentially this FVG right here getting a retest of 50%, potentially coming even lower depending on how far she want to goddamn dump off. We also sitting in this big ass inversion right the fuck here as well. You dig what I'm saying? So now we're talking about a balanced price range right here. You feel me? So goddamn, with that being said, just look for a little bit of liquidity to get ran. And just look for a little bit of liquidity to get ran on this play. I see what she's trying to do now, but considering the fact that she done closed well below all the gaps that we were buying off of, turn them into inversions, things of that nature. Yeah, I don't think that she's gonna I don't think she's gonna hit us with the I told y'all to close and then like look to get back in type shit. I think she's gonna go ahead and like run that bitch right there. Considering how low she came, she didn't give us our reaction from our entry like how we wanted her to, and I gave her a little bit of grace when it came to these inversions over there. But once I seen her close below all that, like, all right, nigga, just go ahead and did it. We'll look for the next entry down. All right. So that's what's going on with Nas. As far as where I see her going, I mean, that's pretty fucking obvious. You dig what I'm saying? This bitch is super duper bullish, so I'm not selling this bitch at all. New all-time high pushes every single time I can try to find one. You know what I mean? So we're gonna look for this next pullback, potentially in this inversion, or potentially inside of this fair value gap right here, which just so happens to be a balanced price range as well. So we got a lot of key areas to look for this next entry off of. But either way it go, nigga, next pullback sends this bitch up to the moon. I don't even know what else to say and how else to say it, nigga. I mean, she don't want to go now, bet. Let her fall a little bit more. We're gonna buy it on next pullback and send that bitch up. Simple. All right. So with that being said, let's just be a little bit more patient. You know what I'm saying? We also got a little bit of bearish for our CRT right here that didn't fucking play out until after we entered the fucking trade. You see what I'm saying? So now that goddamn Price is kind of telling us what she wants to do, you feel what I'm saying? And I can come to the higher time frame and see this right here. I can go ahead and see that she wants to goddamn potentially give one more pump off. But once again, this was not here at the time of me calling this goddamn signal. If I would have seen this, I wouldn't have called nobody. This played out after we entered the buy and that bitch started going towards our stop. This when this bitch started coming down like this. You know what I'm saying? So now that price is down where she's at now, and we see how this 4-hour candle is looking. All right, bearish potential 4-hour CRT has played out. So we just look for the next key areas below price to take it up. I mean, don't get no more simpler than that. But once again, it's not one bearish bone in my body. Little Monday manipulation. That's why we rarely trade Mondays. You dig what I'm saying? I definitely seen that play. I didn't want to ignore it. But that's why I say low lots, all that good shit. You know what I mean? We know what time it is with Nas, man. And we know this bitch ain't going nowhere either. We already know this bitch ain't going nowhere. All this bitch gonna do is turn smack the fuck around and go blast off. We all know that. So, with that being said, we was a little bit too early to the party on the first run. Look for this next pullback to go run some liquidity. The nigga, we're gonna tear ass up all over again. Simple. All right. I'm putting alerts at 2 key areas on my charts. A will be 50% of this inversion that she's on her way down to right now. Alert right here. Look for my bullish reactions, which she's on the way down to now. Second will be down here if she really want to fall. But these are where I'm looking for my bullish turnarounds to put belt the ass on the way back up. All right. So a little bit early in the first entry. Let's be a little bit patient. Wait for this next entry. And I don't think it's gonna be too hard to make this money back. I really don't. You know what I mean? It's just all about being patient. So wait for it. All right. Do you understand why I called the buy originally? Do you understand what ended up happening? Do you understand what I am looking for now to get that motherfucker back in blood? Take this bitch new all-time highs. Let me get some ones in the chat, please. 52 people on this bitch. Come on with it. Come on with it. One. Say that. All right. Once again, it's gonna be easy to get it back in blood money. I ain't tripping on that at all. We got hit with the shebang bang. You deal what it is. Just wait for it. All right. GJ, my baby, I've been waiting to mark this bitch up. Cause didn't I tell y'all niggas? Ooh, didn't I tell y'all niggas? Ooh, I've been waiting for this motherfucking sale. That bitch bunking. She ain't gonna get that excuse me. She didn't activate our sell limit. Excuse me. Damn. She didn't activate the sell limit I gave y'all though. That low-key ruined me. Cause I was balls deep in that motherfucker, boy. I'm talking about I was ready for this bitch to come activate. And there's still a potential that she can. But you know, she's definitely dumping the fuck off right now. She's definitely doing exactly what I thought she was gonna do. I've been telling y'all, I've been like so excited for GJ. I've been excited for GJ for the last 2 goddamn months for this bitch to come and get this high. The second she got this high, my prophecy has been fulfilled, and we're not even halfway done with the shit. So for those that have not been on the GJ markups, let's go ahead and explain why Esco Bowman has been so excited about GJ. Why I've been looking for sales for them last 2 months. What's been happening and what I'm expecting to happen now. All right. Weekly time frame. All right. So when it comes to GJ, all right, we have been sitting here playing games for the last few months for real when it comes to this fair value gap right the fuck here. All right, we all know that 50% is the key area when it comes to fair value gaps and how they play a role in price. We know that price is always going to look to get at least 50%, right? So when we come back down to the lower time frame and we see all this fucking consolidation, all this inducement that price has been doing on GJ since fucking July, we're going into October. You understand? So when we talk about inducement at its finest, when we talk about I knew good and well that won't no real sale gonna happen until we got here. I meant that. So when we played this move right here, so when we got them, so we created these highs right here, right? And then price sold the fuck off like this, right? You know what I mean? When she sold off like this, we all knew that this right here was a manipulation move and price wanted to go back up higher. Why? Why do we know that this right here was a manipulation move and price wanted to turn back around and go back up higher? Why we know that? Why?
It was after the consolidation.
It was after the consolidation. Type shit. FBG hasn't gotten filled. Bah! You know what I'm saying? Analyst after consolidation, manipulation, distribution. You're 100% right. I ain't taking nothing away from that first answer. The second answer is what I needed here though. Bow. FVG never got filled. It never got filled. So when she sold off like this and she ran this low, we already knew that was bullshit. That's why ever since price took out this low and started turning around, we were bullish on GJ, right? And then she got here. All right, then she got right here. When she started creating these highs, and then this bitch sold off here, right? This is when we were like, okay, boom, we are looking to buy GJ, right? We wanted to buy GJ down here inside this fair value gap. We seen all this consolidation. Look at the lower time frame, y'all. All right, look at the four. We seen all once we created this high, we started pulling back, right? We seen these equal lows right the fuck here. We seen that daily fair value gap, which if you come down to a 4 hour, it's a fat ass 4 hour fair value gap that hasn't been filled yet. So all this shit right here is inducement. You see what I'm saying? So when we was down here, we was like, all right, we gonna look for price to take out these lows and got them sell the fuck off, and then we're gonna buy it here, and then from here we're gonna take it up to 50%. That was the plan, right? But price never got down here. So with price never getting down here to this FVG, stopping short, creating equal lows right on top of that fair value gap, and then buying the fuck up. Once we got over here and she wasn't showing signs that she wanted to come back down to this fair value gap, that's when we knew the entire play. That's when everything set itself in stone. You see what I'm saying? Because if we're not going to go get this fair value gap right here, if we're going to stop short, remember, we got two key areas that we're dealing with right now. Prices stopped short of both of them until last week. 50%, this is what we've been inducing since July. And then we got this daily fair value gap right below price right here that we've been inducing since fucking the middle of August. So a month and a month and a half. You see what I'm saying? So the game plan was whichever way she went first, we would explode in the opposite direction after. So at first we wanted price to come down here and get this fair value gap. We was going to buy it here and then take it up. She didn't do that, and not only did she didn't do that, but look at how choppy this is. This is lesson 101. I hope y'all are taking notes. Look at how choppy this buy is. Huh? Y'all know what real bullish momentum looks like. Does this look like real bullish momentum right here? Be honest with me. Like from your trading perspective, does this look like
No.
real bullish momentum right here? Huh? No. All right, we know what real bullish momentum looks like. Look at Nas. Look at gold. You know what I'm saying? Look at things like that. Look at when price really gets to wilding. You want to know clear signs that price is going to turn the fuck around. This is how I was so confident in this area, not only because the FVG kept stop. It's not only because the FVG kept getting stopped short of since July. So I knew that if she kept stopping short of this fucking line right here since July, 9 times out of 10, this right here is gonna be the key area. You feel what I'm saying? I know that. That's just algorithm 101. Not only that, but this is what I always mean when I say market context clues, nigga. Not no real bullish market buys like this. This is choppy. This is equal lows. This is trend line liquidity. This is equal lows, equal lows. This is what they fucking put in the fucking textbooks. Ain't it like fucking I ain't gonna say is what they put in the textbooks, but this is what I will say. In a real bullish market, price runs liquidity, bro, and then turns the fuck around. So you'll get that typical staircase shit that we see in the textbooks, and then out of nowhere, price just fucking dumps. No matter if it's lower time frame liquidity, higher time frame liquidity, it's gonna take something, and then keep that shit pushing. So whenever I see the market not doing that, I'm talking about leaving equal lows and then buying up and leaving trend lines and creating trend lines, and it just looks a little bit too good to be true, right? And ain't no liquidity getting ran, ain't no lows getting smacked, ain't no none of that. Cap. Cap. Point blank period. Cap. That shit cap. You see what I'm saying? So when I'm looking at this price action and I see that we did not come down to get this, and not only did we not come down to get that, but we're creating so much liquidity on the way up without running it, right? That when she gets to this key area and she gets here, like look at what was on the table. Look at what was on the table once we got here, cuz. Right? Once we got here, look at all this shit that's below price, bro. All of it. She left it on the table for a reason. So that once she got to the real bank area, splack cacao, All these fuck niggas that was selling at these lows, everybody's trying to buy down there at these. Everybody's selling at these highs, and everybody's trying to buy these pullback lows. Like when this bitch gets to selling off, everybody's trying to buy down here and shit. It's dead. It's over with. It's wraps. It is wraps because the key area has gotten smacked. And that's why you seen this bitch got the goddamn hit that bitch and then got the motherfucking Sheboygan. Got the Sheboygan down, nigga. I'm telling you. So we have now started the bearishness that I've been so excited about. All right. We have now started the bearishness I've been so excited about. This is where we're at now with it. If we look at it based on everything that we've done, the prophecy that I have been stating is coming into fruition because now pay attention to price action. We stop short of the key area, then we get it. So this is a run on stops. Here, run on stops, right to 50%, breaker structure bearish, FV jizzle dizzle. She goes a little bit higher. Why she goes a little bit higher? Let's just move this box right here. That's why. That's why she goes a little bit higher. Inversion FV jizzle on the money, 50%. My sell limits for you guys were inside of this inversion right here. So it's a little bit too high. It was a little bit too motherfucking high. And there's still a chance that she can come up there and get that bitch, considering the fact that she left like these highs kind of equal. But as of right now, that bitch is kind of dumping off. So I ain't gonna pray on that. You know what I'm saying? We're just gonna kind of try to get in where we fit in type shit. But run on stops, stopping short of that key area. Look how close she got to the key area without stopping short. This is why you always see me zoom in super duper deep on FVGs to see if that shit really got tapped or not. Because the shit matters. It matters. You know what I mean? So we stop short of that bitch, start selling off, everybody get happy, buy right back up and come smack them. Then the real bearishness comes into play. So run on stops, breaker structure, FVG field. We're dumping the fuck off. All these lows right here are targets. Like it's about to get wicked. I think it's about to get wicked. We may or may not have, I don't want to say that we had one more pullback in her, bro. Like, cause in all actuality, like that 4-hour FVG may have been all she needed, bro. Once again, the sell limit that I gave you guys was inside this inversion all the way up here on the 1 hour, and it's still very much possible that they could get activated, but I'm not going to pray on that, bro. So what I am saying is, now that this high right here that got created, not only did this high get created, but price made it intermediate by taking out this motherfucking high here. So this the high that ran stops. This high should not get touched again. This high right here should be fucking protected until price gets down to its target. What's its target? Down here. You know what I'm saying? So I think she ready. I think she ready spaghetti. I think she ready spaghetti. I'm looking for sales all goddamn week. I ain't buying shit. I'm dropping draws on this bitch, nigga. I'm trying to get her all the way down. I'm trying to get her down now. All this liquidity right here is fair game. It's a lot of short-term targets you can take this bitch to on the way down there. But once I find my position, bitch, I'm holding that shit, nigga. Ain't nothing to talk about. Holding the fuck out of it. All right. As far as where we can sell that, I ain't gonna give y'all nowhere right now. I'm gonna let price action kind of play out a little bit. I ain't gonna give y'all nowhere right now because in all actuality, I want this bitch to buy up again. Because look at the trend line liquidity. All right. Look at the equal houses up here, all that good shit. So I want her to come back up again. I want her to come and liquidate niggas and then go. So that's why I ain't gonna give y'all no area yet because I'm waiting for that liquidity run that obviously she's trying to set up. Right? This is what I mean when I say market context clues, y'all. She's not ready to truly go crazy yet. She need that liquidity run, and you know because she's setting it up. So next pullback up. Like this is a clear sign that price is gonna come back up again. That's why I'm not telling y'all sell it yet. You know what I'm saying? She gonna come back up to come smack this trend line. No matter how far she goes, if it's just to this trend line, or if it come a little bit higher up here. What I know is we're gonna buy up one more time. When that buy up happens, and whatever the fuck she stops at is where I'm looking for that sell to take it down. I see the liquidity. I know I should not touch the market. If I can see it, everybody else can see it. You know what I mean? Wait for liquidity to get ran. Look for the sell somewhere up here on top of these niggas. That's the play. All right. So we're going to be patient. We see the bearishness. Once again, the prophecy is damn near fulfilled. We just need one more liquidity run. We just need one more liquidity run. This bitch going to drop draws. Okay. Yeah, we can see the liquidity is clear as day. So let's be patient. Let's wait for it. And I'll call the play when she's ready. All right. Twos in the chat. Why your boy so excited on this bitch? Huh? She's been playing out exactly how we want her to play out. Does everything make sense? Do you know what I'm looking for? This has been something that y'all should better understand because once again, nigga, we've been looking at this bitch for the last 2 months. Feel me? We've been looking at this bitch since July. So every single move that this bitch has been doing, up, down, left, right, sideways, we know exactly why the fuck it's been happening. We've been able to dissect it and we've been able to capitalize on it. I mean, let's keep the energy going. Let's keep the energy going. All right. Go. Let's see what's popping with gold. This bitch pushing. Damn, that bitch at 38, boy. Psh, where Anthony at? Anthony on this bitch. Where is Anthony, bro? I know if this nigga still holding this bitch and this bitch. Who's still who holding gold from any of the positions that we've been able to catch? Who's holding this bitch? Who is in gold as we speak?
My best entry is 37.32 right now.
37.32 is still amazing. That's all the way down there. That's all the way down there. So that's this bitch right here is fucking bunking, bitch. Same analysis from last week played out on the money. Told y'all she would fall down inside this daily gap. That's exactly what she did. This is why y'all see this arrow right here. This is the arrow from last week. This is the analysis that we had. Only thing is that she did not get that 50% motherfucker, but it's gold, bro. She can do that. Like, she can do that, bro. It's gold. You know what I'm saying? So that's just what the fuck it is. That's what she wanted to do. That's what it is. All right. Obviously this bitch is bullish as hell. You'd be crazy to sell it. All right. Ain't too much we can go off of. Obviously, we're just gonna need a pullback. I can obviously look at this lower time frame right here and see all these stank ass lows around. All of them. I want them to get ran. What's below this that I can probably look to buy off of? Maybe this 30-minute fair value gap is right here. Right there. It's a liquidity run, taking out these lows, getting to a key area, and we can potentially reverse from there. And our new week opening gap is down here as well. And we're well on top of new week opening gap, signifying bullishness. All right, signifying bullishness. Shit, she might be ready for a buy right now. But shit, nigga, if I can goddamn, if she can pull back a little bit lower, I'll call it buy for y'all today. This bitch keep running stops and breaking structure, nigga. Telling you. That's what gold does. Y'all want to know why, how I'll be able to read gold, niggas? Because I know the tendencies. Gold don't have to pull back far. It don't have to pull back far. So understanding that, you feel me, nigga, all I gotta do is look at the lower time frame. You know what I'm saying? I can just pay attention to the 1, the 3, the 5, and look for these little moves. You know what I'm saying? Where she creates lows and then runs the bitches and turns around. She creates lows, then runs the bitches and turns around. She creates lows, she runs the bitches and turns around. That's the price action to look for with gold. That's the price action you need to look for. You see what I'm saying? Of course, if we can get a higher time frame pullback, like a deep pullback, that'd be fucking great. But we know that gold don't gotta fucking do that. That bitch can just fucking fly. And if you want to be able to goddamn get in position for one of these little plays with low risk, without, you know what I'm saying, feeling like you're gonna have some FOMO on missing out on these trades, bro, you gotta goddamn be on that 1 minute. You gotta be on the lower time frames hunting for these little liquidity runs and shit. You know what I'm saying? So, once again, I wouldn't touch it until we fuck around and I know I said what I just said with that, but fuck that. I'm going back to what I originally said. I want this trend line right here, ran. All right. So I'm gonna look for this shit to sell the fuck off and come get this trend line right the fuck here. What I did say about that 1 minute, like this little shit right here that I was just talking about, could potentially happen, bro, on some Monday shit. But I do if we was to buy it right here and we was to get a little TP smack, I don't think it's gonna last too long. Like, yes, this bitch can fly. You know what I'm saying? But I think she'll like give us a TP smack and then fuck around and reverse back down. You know what I'm saying? And then come down and get this trend line and then fucking like then keep going. You know what I'm saying? So you can pay attention right here if you want to. This is right on styles breaker structure gap. This is how you can definitely get in position for a gold play. I wouldn't hold the Monday trade though. I'm still gonna look for a buy right here. I ain't gonna take nothing away from it. But I'm not gonna hold this bitch. I'm gonna get in, I'm gonna get the fuck out, and then look for price to eventually fucking reverse to come get this. This trend line right here is too damn clean. It's too damn clean. And now we may not get like a super duper crazy ass pullback all the way down, but we can definitely get something similar to that. That's all we need. It's just these lows right here getting ran for this bitch to go to 4,000. You know what I'm saying? So be patient, wait for that motherfucking pullback. And it's really all we can go for on this because we've never been this high before. This bitch is overly, 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 overly bullish. Like, it's insane. It's absolutely insane, y'all. This is probably the easiest money that you can get out the markets right now. Gold is just this is the shit that's creating niggas like millionaires, bro. Like gold is the chart that gets niggas out of poverty. Like I'm not even gonna lie to you. Like this bitch right here is if you can find your position on gold, nigga, your life will change with the right lot size. What I'm telling you, bro. Like it's something you definitely want to be hunting out for. Look for these plays, bro. See if we can get them get in position to take this bitch up to 4K this week. That's the next target for price that we want to goddamn rock up. Or let me see. Can we get all the way to 4K this week? Yeah, it's not. I mean, it's not to say it's impossible. I mean, y'all know gold, but this bitch gonna fly. But we're gonna go quarter points. All right. So our next target is gonna be 38.50. We're gonna go 38.75, 39, 39.25, et cetera, all the way up to 4K. That's how we're gonna play it. All right. But that's the analysis of gold. Just look for a fucking pullback on these motherfucking on this trend line right here. Look for that to get smacked. We're gonna look for buys down here where everybody else stops at. Turn that bitch around, take it up to the moon. All right. Easy enough, right? Can't go off of too much more else than that. You know what I'm saying? I heard ICT just dropped some sauce on other ways to do that, and we're on that ass. You know what I'm saying? But that's how we've been playing. That's how we're gonna continue to play it. That's where the accuracy comes from. Just keep going with the trend until the trend fails. Look for these liquidity runs, and then just look for this bitch turnaround. That's all you can do. And it's NFP week. Yes, it is, ain't it? We do start off the first couple of days of October this week, don't we? Don't we? The new motherfucking month starts on Wednesday. So yeah, we're definitely due for a major move. This bitch gonna fuck around and be at 39 4K, bro. By the time this week over with, boy. I swear to God. Nah. So be ready for it, y'all. That's all I gotta say. Be ready. All right, it's easy money. We just gotta wait for the play. Once it's ready, belt. All right, once easy. Simple enough. Simple enough. Bet. All right, keep it going. Yeah, go. Yeah, we can't go off too much more than that. We're not. Let me see what this bitch doing. The big on buy, boy. Who's she gonna buy? We potentially look for sales, so I ain't gonna lie. Hey, look what little scalp says. You want to create equal lows and shit, little bitch. You pull up there, boy. I ain't gonna say too much though. All right, let's go to the rest of our JPY pairs. What's the EJ? All right. Now, remember what I had told you guys last week with EJ, right? Oh, we was over here and shit. And I told you guys last week that I knew that EJ was going to dump just like how GJ was going to dump once again. If one JPY pair dumps, 9 times out of 10, most of them are. The only one that really has a mind of his own is UJ. All right, UJ has a complete mind of his own. But besides that, you know what I mean, most all JPY pairs correlate. So when I seen GJ, I knew that EJ was going to have to dump as well. I just didn't know exactly where. See, GJ's chart was the cleanest one out of all JPY pairs. So with this chart right here, like we had an idea of where this bitch can come to, right? What she can do, et cetera, et cetera. But it was just more or less a thing where we needed to see price action play out before we started like trusting that analysis. You know what I'm saying? We knew that we would look for sales. We just really need to see that bitch like go and get her liquidity and do what she needed to do. You see what I'm saying? So in this case scenario here, we gotta know why this high right here got formed. So let's zoom to the left. To the left. There's your answer. Remember, nothing is random, y'all. Nothing is random. So we got to know why price is stopping in its tracks. Okay. Big ass 4-hour fair value gap right here. Stretch the bitch out. All the way over here. I mean, boom. All right. So we got a nice little fill to FVG. Is there a little bit more space up there that she could potentially go get? Yeah. Are we going to marry that analysis that she can pull up one more time? No. All right. If I see this bitch pulling up again, I know why. I know how to play it. Just take it up here to these highs. These highs is kind of clean. All right. So it's all similar to like JPY, the other JPY pairs and shit, right? GJ, we already know what the fuck is popping. She ready. She ready to spaghetti, right? But she needs one more liquidity run. We identified the liquidity. So we already know that she got to pull up. EJ, I'm on the same type time. If GJ's going to dunk, EJ's going to dunk. But if GJ got to pull liquidity, they got to pull liquidity. Where the fuck is the liquidity? Up here. Inducing the top end of that. So if I see this bitch get bullish, I understand why. Either way it goes, I'm not touching it now, right? I see what can happen. Once again, this shit got similar price action to fucking GJ. Look how clean this shit is right here. This is what I mean when I say when you see textbook shit, I'm talking about like textbook. I'm talking about you can go in the candlestick Bible and see price action like this. Look how clean this is, man. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Like that. It's too cliche. All right, it's too cliche. This is a typical uptrend. And man, if you're not unmuting your mic to tell me some good goddamn news, nigga, to let me finish the fuck up, boy. Well, how much you up now?
I can't say.
Nigga, man.
Oh shit.
Send me some.
That nigga up 250.
He told me I can't say nothing. But you send it to me though. Send it to me. I ain't gonna say nothing. Let me see some. I'm gonna give a reaction. I ain't gonna say nothing. No. I ain't gonna say nothing. Let me see that motherfucker. And when is you gonna withdraw, nigga? God damn. That's what I'm waiting for. I need you to withdraw that.
Just know, you know the number we talked about, right?
Pass? You passed that?
I'm close to it.
That's tough. That's tough. Wait,
Like
how,
30,
like one more
30
trade.
away.
$30 away or 30,000?
1,000.
One trade. With the capital he got, nigga, that's one trade. That's fucking 10 pips. With the capital that nigga got, that's 10 pips. Word on game. Yeah, you good. Yeah, you gonna take it? You gonna take it then? You gonna take it at 250?
Yeah.
You gotta take out 100. You gotta take out 100, bro.
I'll probably take out one. I'll probably take out 180, 190. You gonna cash out on the truck.
Ooh, that bitch trying to go crazy in this bitch. Yeah, nigga. I can't wait to see that withdrawal. I can't wait. That's what I've been waiting on. Remember, money ain't real till y'all take it. Y'all gotta take this pay. Take the pay. That nigga up $250,000. Ha ha! This nigga up $250,000. This shit sound crazy, don't it? That's what happens when you lock the fuck in, y'all.
Hey, bro, that shit seem unreal. I ain't gonna lie to you. Every morning I'll be like, man, this shit finna disappear. No, this shit here to stay.
No, that bitch here to stay, nigga. I'm telling you, nigga. He here. He here. The next six-figure nigga is here. I'm just waiting on him to let me post shit. So we can go viral together. Oh God, we're gonna go viral in this bitch, Anthony. I swear for God, boy. Yeah! I was already turned about gang. Y'all, and the fact that y'all in here and y'all seen this nigga whole goddamn journey, bro. Y'all seen it. Yeah, I mean this nigga be on every single one of our calls. So y'all seen it happen in front of y'all damn Facebook. If that ain't motivation, I don't know what is. Lock in. Lock in. All right.
I'm finna do another build too.
How big? Oh, where you starting at?
25,000 to 1.5.
45,000 to 1.5. God damn. You trying this nigga acting like he
1.5 down.
Yeah, Sirski, that's my kind of carrying on right there.
These niggas is
God damn.
we done pulled another JR at the back of our ass. This nigga
Yeah.
we done pulled another JR.
That nigga up like I think like 3.
Y'all seen what JR just did? That nigga just gave away
That boy just gave away
$25,000.
Yeah, that nigga gave away that 25K.
That nigga gave away $25,000, bro.
Bro,
And so
We
I
waiting
might
on
give away
you next,
10
Tracy.
though.
Go ahead, do a giveaway.
Now listen,
I might do 10.
Nigga, that 10 goes to me.
Bruh.
Get out the way, bro.
That 10 go to
Bro,
Esco
your 10
Boomin.
is already set aside.
That 10 go to Esco Boomin. Look at everybody else. I'm playing. Look, this is what I will do. Because this is what I've been planning on doing for a good little minute. I wanted to do a motherfucking because y'all remember a couple months ago when I was telling you guys in the chat that I had found a space, it's a CS chat. Remember I told you that I had found a little space to do a link up? You know what I'm saying? And I'm like, goddamn, like all we gotta do is all I need to know is how many heads are coming, I'll set shit up. That's when I wanted to do this shit, bro. I was gonna got them pull out like I wasn't gonna do no fucking 25,000. I was oh God, I was about 5K. I was gonna do it in cash and give it to somebody that wanted to got them link ups. That was my plan. I was gonna make it a big ass content thing. Niggas that beat me to it though. And it's fucking and that shit is throwing me. And I asked JR, I'm like, gang, like, I don't think nobody's done that shit yet. Like, at least not that I know of. Like, ain't
Nah, I
nobody
ain't seen that one.
I haven't seen nobody do it yet, bro. Like, this nigga is fucking wildin'. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Like, anybody that thought that nigga was cap, ooh,
He
where
just
y'all
shit on him.
that
That's how
nigga?
you do
Hey,
it.
look, I swear to God, now y'all remember that call when we was on this bitch with KJ and y'all was laughing at me, oh, Tracy Webb, because he ain't want to do a little
Yeah, nah,
$10,000
nigga.
bill. He ain't want to do that $10,000 bill, and y'all was on my ass talking about something. I was pushing fake shit. Man, respectfully, fuck every single one of y'all that was thinking that I was goddamn cap. Don't none of that they never come
Respectfully.
out. Respectfully, don't nothing ever come out of my mouth cap when it
The
comes to these results.
audacity of you niggas.
Nah, I knew that shit when kept, but they ain't in the chat.
Respectfully,
If you really in CS chat, you see way more
you
than
know,
like niggas see on
you
the internet.
know.
You see what I'm saying? So like,
So y'all niggas get this shit fucked up, boy. I know the real. Y'all niggas don't know the
even
real.
know.
Y'all didn't see the bank statements I seen. Y'all
yeah.
didn't see the growth. I seen all that. Y'all FaceTime the nigga and got him to screen share shit. I seen bank statements. Y'all niggas
Guess
didn't.
what? I seen that nigga not go back to that fucking post office.
Oh
You
God.
ain't walking away from that motherfucker.
You not walking
Yeah.
away from that motherfucker, nigga.
That's 100K right there.
Ooh,
You
Easy.
feel me?
yeah, man. I swear to God, boy, I love and I told you so ass moment. Once again, nigga, for anybody, and I know some of y'all niggas on this call too that was trolling me, nigga. Every single it was a few of y'all on this call.
It
I see
always
y'all
be the free
today
chat niggas.
that was
Know,
trolling the fuck out of me, nigga.
know
Free
y'all is.
chat, slayers, which is fucking sad because y'all pay me to fucking learn how to trade from me. I tell y'all what one of my students do, and then y'all niggas think that I'm fucking cap, and y'all pay me. That's just that's fucking crazy to me. So yeah, I'm talking my shit this morning, nigga. Every single one of y'all niggas that was on my goddamn call, VIP niggas, free niggas, and anywhere in between that was trolling me when KJ was on his call, trolling me too. Yeah, just go to him too. Cause I already got on his ass. On God. Just go to everybody. Fuck all y'all, nigga. I do this shit. No game. The question is who's next? Don't never sleep on me again. And don't never sleep on none of my students neither. Gang, because it ain't just me, nigga, it's them.
Keep
I mean
sleeping.
that.
It ain't gonna do shit for you.
I mean every single word I just said too. I swear to God I do. Because I don't
That
like
part.
when I swear to God when I don't like when niggas sleep on this shit. I don't like when niggas I make shit sound too good to be goddamn true, nigga. Like the results that I pull out my ass, nigga. The results that we able to do, never heard of. To the point where y'all think it's cap. Fuck out of here, nigga. Back to the markup. Back to the markup. Ooh, I've been waiting to say that shit. Ooh, I've been waiting to say that. It's passion, boy. Anyway, we did gold, we did Nas, EJ. Back to EJ. So once again, we know JPY Paris is gonna need a pull up. They know we need a liquidity run. GJ has the trend line, right? We got the trend line here. EJ, we don't have a trend line, but we have picture perfect equal highs that is potentially stopping short of like the high end of this gap appeal. We also, I ain't even gonna say we don't have a trend line because we definitely do, but we also just liquidated it. So we'll see. Saying all this to say, family, we need one more pull up. One more. So I will look for a liquidity run, but I'm just as bearish on this motherfucker as I am on GJ. As I was saying before, I fucking got on my little rant. Goddamn. This right here is what you call like bullshit, like too good to be true price action. Like you see how picture perfect of a staircase this looks? It's cap. Market don't move like that. Promise you. That's what they want you to think it moves like that. So you can start buying at these lows and shit. You gonna see why it don't move like that by the end of the week. Tell me, all these shit smash, all on too choppy. It's not real bullish momentum. Too choppy. You know what I'm saying? And why you think she got it? Look how small the candles got. What she got up here. That's a clear sign of bitch. I'm low in the dump, nigga. I'm low and nigga. It's like a fucking I don't even know what analogy I can come up with this shit is, but like the smaller the candlesticks get, the bigger the move about to happen. You see what I'm saying? Like it's because it's low in the fuck up for a major move. Like that's just how you visualize that. You see what I'm saying? So she's ready to dump. Once again, one more liquidity run is probably gonna be needed. We can look for that liquidity run to happen. Just be patient. Look for the next pull up. And when it's all said and done, we trying to sell the fuck out EJ and get her all the way down there. I mean, just look at how much liquidity is below price. It's too much shit for me to not believe this bitch ain't gonna drop draws. Too much. Too much. And then we can go to the higher time frame and shit get even more wicked because nigga EJ has been buying for God knows how long without no signs of pullback. All right, so we look at the higher time frame. Look at the fucking weekly shit. If this bitch wanted to dump, nigga, it got multiple reasons to do so. Like, this is like more higher time frame swing targets. But that bitch could definitely go crazy if she wanted to. Saying that to say, we loading up for a sale. All JPY pairs are looking good. Wait for the next liquidity run. Once she gives it up, we selling the fuck out of this bitch, taking her downtown. Ones in chat, understand why I'm also excited with this one, but also why I am being a little bit more patient with this one than I am GJ. You know what I'm saying? You understand the confidence in GJ. GJ's already ready to go. Price action set in stone. EJ, we're just following suit with GJ. GJ, we know exactly where the liquidity's at. EJ, not so much. You know what I'm saying? So we're very much confident in the dump. We just need to wait for the price action to form. Y'all understand where I'm coming from? Once, please. Do you understand the drip? Do you understand the drip? Say less, say less, say less. I say less. All right. I think that's everything. EJ. Oh, AJ. Where's AJ? I'm actually looking at AJ for like a scalp buy. I'm not gonna lie. You see, I see how all the JPY pairs have like hella liquidity on one top that needs to get ran. It's like you can see that the bearishness is there, bro. Like the liquidity is there. We can see these bitches trying to potentially go and do some shit. However, it's hinting to you, not just yet, because I'm leaving all this shit up here. That's what's selling you. You know what I'm saying? So I'm actually looking for a potential buy on this motherfucker. I'm not gonna lie. Like I've been looking at this chart since this morning to scalp it up to these highs up here. She just didn't pull back deep enough for me yet. I do have the same analysis as GJ and EJ with this. Like once she's done buying, this bitch is gonna dump off. However, obviously GJ and EJ don't have this type of nice bullish scalp price action. You know what I'm saying? AJ looks, I mean, look at this. Look how clean this looks for a potential buy. That EJ and GJ don't. Like we know that it can buy, but it don't look nothing like fucking AJ. It don't look nothing as clean as this. As far as that run on stops, breaking structure gap with all these clean ass high type of price, it don't look nothing like that. You see what I'm saying? So I was definitely looking for a little scalp buy on the next pull back down inside this breaker block, inside this FVG right here. Take that bitch up to these highs, get in, get out. And then look for an overall sell, hold that bitch for the rest of the week type shit. Let's go ahead and delete some of this shit though. I'm kind of all over the place. Let's get a fresh markup. All right. So, boom. All right. This is why we have to drop. This is why we have to drop. Bro. We got to come get that. Once price gets that, and nigga, it's more down here too. It's like once price comes down here and gets all this shit, the bullishness continues, especially on AJ. Like here, straight up to these highs, straight up to the rest of that FVG. Why? Because the run on stops is here. Run on stops, boom, breaker structure, gap. All right, it's not a fair value gap, it's a value imbalance. It's the only difference. So run on stops, breaker structure, gap, equal highs, gap on top of price. So that's the play, but she has to pull back down first. She got to pull back. She got to pull back. You see what I'm saying? Goddamn. Damn, what was I about to say? My fault. Anyway, boom. So yeah, this bitch got to pull back. We got to come get this value imbalance right here. Got to. All right. So that's my target for the sale when this bitch is ready to start dumping. We got to come get here. No wonder why this bitch is even leaving equal lows. No wonder why the lows right here are so fucking clean. Of course they want you to buy it down here. Of course they do. Of course you will make picture perfect, pip for pip, equal lows right there. Of course they want you to buy right there. Why? Get in early, Fortning. Put your stop right in that value balance so I can kill your ass. Facts. This is a scalp. Listen. If we can get in position for a short-term buy, this is exactly how we're going to play this bitch. Word on my mom. If we can get in for a Monday little scalpiani against the trend little boom bow, we're going to buy it down here. Low lot sizes, of course. We're going to take that bitch up to these highs. Once these highs get ran, bitch, we're off the flat looking for sales and we holding this bitch down here. That's the play. That is the play. If we can't find the buy, then fuck it. You know what I'm saying? We're obviously overall looking for the sale. But these lows are so damn clean for a fucking reason. And now that we go to the weekly time frame and see what the fuck is right below these lows, we come down. Once we come to the weekly and see what's right below these lows, then we can come back to the 1 hour and see exactly why these lows are formed. Right? Remember, we got to understand exactly why everything is happening. I just don't want to be like, oh shit, this bitch has been selling or this bitch has been buying. I just don't want to come on the chart and be like, damn, these lows are equal. My first job when I see something that I like or dislike is figure out why the fuck is there. Not just, oh shit, it's there. Why is it there? So then I can know how much weight it's going to hold when it comes to price action. You see what I'm saying? So I can know that these lows ain't going to hold no weight. Why? Because of stopping short of the key areas down here. So when this shit all said and done, price can buy up a little bit to get these niggas happy, and it probably is to come run these highs. But then once again, once the bitch all said and done, boom, we're right back downtown. And then we look to buy it down here to take it back up. That's the play. That's the play. All right. So once again, we're going to look for short-term scalp buys if we can find it. We're not going to force it. Once again, if we want that, we would need something down here inside of these 15-minute, 5-minute gaps here. Then we'll buy it down here, stop below that little low right there. We'll take it up. All right. I'm actually putting an alert down here to see if she goddamn, you feel me? Let us in or not. All right. I'm not praying for that motherfucking buy because once again, the overall play is to sell. All right. If we can get in position, that's what's up. All right. The overall thing, we trying to ping pong some shit. You know what I mean? But remember, once price runs her liquidity, no matter if it's these highs up here, no matter if she really wants to come up here and grab them, like all this shit is fair game, right? But once she gets that liquidity, we're off the flap looking for sales. Considering the fact that it's NFP week, it can definitely much go the fuck down in this bitch. You see what I'm saying? When it comes to like flashing up and flashing down and shit like that. But yeah, we're gonna look for sales once she gets here and take her down to this weekly buying balance. So it just kind of follows along suit with GJ and EJ. We got targets below price that need to get grabbed. We got liquidity on, we got short-term liquidity on top of price that needs to get ran in order for the targets below price to get grabbed, if that makes sense. Because remember, in order for us to sell, we got to run liquidity first. We got to buy up. In order for us to buy, we have to run liquidity first. We need to have to sell. I mean, so in order for us to sell down here, we got to buy up to come get liquidity. In order for us to buy all the way up here, we got to sell down first to come get liquidity. And then last thing that just stuck out to me like a motherfucking goddamn damn, nigga. This last thing that stuck out to me is this, nigga. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Look at this big ass gap beside these candles. And look where that shit rests. Right below 50%. Which means guess where I take this bitch to on a sale? Not just to 50%. Down there. We sell it and we get all the way down there. That's how I know that price is not just gonna stop at 50%. It's gonna keep going down. How do I know that? First, because we already done played 50% already. Right? We done broke on top of this gap already. We done retest this bitch right here. 50% is gone. So now this low right here that's at 50% becomes liquidity. That's liquidity now. That's an old swing low. Somebody bought it. And it's also inducement because what's right below it? The rest of the value balance. Right? So now I know that price is going to keep that shit pushing downhill. Not only to stop at 50%, but to come get the fill of this whole goddamn gap. So we got us a good little sell. A good little sell. That's what we're looking for, to get all the way down there and then rock that bitch back up. Yeah? Does that make sense on what I'm looking for? Does that click? Give me ones. You got any questions? Let me know. I feel like that's probably the deepest analysis we done did this whole goddamn chart. Good little lesson right there. Let me know if that makes sense. Word up. That was a good little markup right there. Word. This nigga KJ just withdraw 250K. This nigga KJ just withdrew 250,000. Wait, what? Hold on, that's a lot going on. But hold on real quick. Hold on. Oh. Okay, I see what's going on. A nigga talking shit about us Forex niggas Castanet was talking about I Mill niggas saying Forex niggas. That's how you know we're the talk of town right now, bro. That's how you really know that Forex is just as popular as it was back then. Castanet talking shit. Nigga don't know shit. And 9 times out of 10, he probably do know something, right? But like, I gotta understand, bro. When you that big, right? When you as big as Castanet, right? When you was as big as Castanet, you can't be putting people on game, right? You can't be doing that. Like I say, like you can't be putting people on game. So of course the nigga would bash Forex traders and make it seem like it was a scam on this motherfucking stream where he got millions of people watching him. They not gonna want to go and be like, everybody should be trading, nigga. That's fucking 5 million people right there that's gonna start looking to the foreign exchange market. Nah, that's 5 million more independent motherfuckers that the government don't need. You understand? Of course that nigga will say some dumb shit like that. And I guarantee you, I can damn near put every dollar that I got that nigga is involved in the foreign exchange market in some way. If he's not trading, he got somebody that's doing for him. Every single fucking celebrity, all these niggas. If these niggas
Tyson
ain't,
that a bot. He a
huh?
bot. He a
I don't
bot.
give.
The
I don't
one
give a
nigga
fuck who
who
he
the
is.
one nigga who played Thanos said he was fucking with the market. So like, what we talking about?
Everybody is fucking with the markets, bro. No matter if they want to act like they is or not. Everybody is fucking with the markets, bro. These niggas that be paying, if these niggas aren't individually trading themselves, then they got financial motherfuckers that do it for them. You understand? Like, they're paying motherfuckers to do this shit for them, bro. Everybody is fucking trading. Everybody. I mean, so when a nigga like God's Snack come on that bitch, bot or not, I don't give a fuck. I don't look that deep into this shit. I don't give a fuck about none of that. Bot, whatever. Real human, whatever. Either way it go, of course the nigga wouldn't say Forex is real on a fucking stream, nigga. He the biggest one out here. When you got that big of a name, you can't say so much. That's how I view it, nigga. Yeah, and that's how I view it. I could be right and I could be wrong, but bitch, that's how my third eye be looking sometimes. Now, when it comes to KJ ass, somebody posted something on their story. I guess KJ thought they was talking about us. Um, KJ thought they was talking about us when it comes to niggas say, oh goddamn, niggas faking payout certificates. So KJ got mad and reviewed 250,000. It's like that's when it comes to us, bro. When it comes to the GJ Slayers, right? That's why I need niggas to understand, bro. Niggas do it so motherfucking big on the trading side, on the mentor side of things. That yeah, once again, like niggas be thinking shit is motherfucking cap, right? Ain't nobody seen no black motherfuckers come in this bitch and turn this shit the fuck up like that. But don't think that at any fucking point in time we can't just fucking up results and up receipts. Like, nigga, like, stop playing with this shit, bro. I don't know what y'all be thinking this shit is. I'm not talking to y'all like specifically, but like anybody that any has ever doubt when it comes to like me, KJ, Don, like when any of the shit that we ever post and any of that shit, nigga. I know it looks great. You know what I'm saying? I know it looks damn too good to be true because niggas ain't never seen no black niggas come in this motherfucker walk like this, talk like this, and still popping like this. So I get it. I get it, bro. You know what I'm saying? But do not think that at any point we can't just fucking up fucking bankroll on y'all and shut all that shit the fuck up. KJ just that nigga always do that shit. I'm speaking on me. I'm speaking on Don. I'm speaking on y'all. See what my students doing, nigga. We prove this shit to y'all every goddamn day. It's low key crazy the shit that we deal with. You know what I'm saying? When it comes to like more motherfuckers think the shit is cap that motherfuckers that support. You understand? Like more motherfuckers think that we scam motherfuckers. More motherfuckers think that nigga, we don't really do this shit, bro. We just some IG guru ass niggas. We got more haters than we do supporters, and it's sad. You see what I'm saying? But that's why we continue to be ignorant. That's why we pride ourselves on being us. You see what I'm saying? That's why we continue to cuss as much as we want to cuss and fucking pop shit as we want to pop shit and look like slap niggas. You know what I mean? Why? Because, nigga, we told you so. That's why. And y'all gonna keep seeing this. Got them caps. We're gonna do it bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. KJ just upped it. And that might have just gave me a reason to up it. Watch what I withdraw by the end of the week, nigga. Fuck all that. If everybody else want to withdraw fucking 5 and 6 figures, nigga, watch what I do. Watch what I do. Watch what I do. Word. Yeah, I better quit playing with the Slayers, man. That shit done got serious. That bitch is up. That nigga just withdrew a 250,000 for no fucking reason. That's OD. That's crazy. That's crazy. Receipts don't lie. People are just jealous. That's a fact. What they be saying? Hold on. That nigga hey, that bitch Castanet said Forex trades that never showed niggas a PS5. They said we order for him. That bitch said we ain't never showed nigga no P5 or new iPhone or nothing.
That nigga goofy, bro. I hate when goofy speak on shit. They're not even in the loop to talk on, bro. Nigga talking about IML and platinums and shit. What the fuck is he talking about, bro? It's real life traders out here, nigga. The fuck you talking about some platinums and shit?
Let them live, bro. You know what I mean? Like I don't even get mad about this shit no more. I used to pride myself on trying to like prove motherfuckers wrong and shit like that. You feel what I'm saying? As far as like, oh, this forex is better. Now I just kind of like do what I do. I do what I do now for different reasons than what I used to do. You see what I'm saying? Back then, I used to be a nigga that tried to prove everybody and their mama wrong. Like, me 3 years ago making a fucking video similar to how KJ just did. You feel what I'm saying? As far as making a big ass rant on Instagram, like, man, fuck with that nigga telling me, oh, y'all should be trade. Don't nobody give a fuck, bro. We're at the point in 2025 where, nigga, if you cannot clearly see what the fuck is going on out here, then you may just be dumb for L, nigga. Like that. That's just how I see it, bro. Niggas been putting it in your face for so motherfucking long, and all it takes is a little bit of simple fucking research, like a literal Google search, to debunk all capitry that motherfuckers think come along with the shit. But motherfuckers want to be closed-minded because they got hit with the bang in the past. Every single one of us on this call that got hit with the bang in the past. Every single one of us. What's the bang? Getting scammed? Drop a one in the chat if you done got scammed when it come to Forex before. I'm talking about you done paid a nigga for signals, the shit ain't going. You done goddamn paid a nigga for some mentorship he ain't give to you. Account management, nigga, something. Drop a one in the chat if you got hit with the bang, nigga. You done paid a nigga some money, he ain't give you shit. He ain't make no money off of it. Right? We done all been there. We done all fucking been there. All right, now I can drop 1 trillion ones in this bitch. Word on game. But but what's the difference between us and niggas like Castanet? Niggas like everybody else that got hit with the bang once, you know what I'm saying? And then said fuck it forever. Instead of actually doing a little bit of due diligence. I gave away 600 one time. Nigga, try 10K. Nigga, I done gave away some real money for nothing. For bots, account management, all that. Belt nothing.
The difference is we ain't no quitters.
Exactly.
For one, Trace, we need niggas to be at Dunkin' Donuts. We need niggas to be valets. We need fuck you if they don't believe it.
That's a fact. As I said, that's why I don't tweak no more. Because like at the end of the day, we need niggas like that. It's gonna be niggas that work for me when it's all said and done. Everybody can't be no boss, bro. Everybody can't
Tracy,
be
you
boss,
gave
bro.
away 10K? The fuck?
Yeah, well, not giving away, but when it comes to paying a nigga for some goddamn shit and I ain't getting none, hell yeah. I paid a nigga for a bot. You know what I'm saying? Back in what, like it was like 2021? You know what I'm saying? This was I don't think anybody's been rocking with me for a long time. You remember back when I was partnered with a nigga named D Prime. You know what I'm saying? And goddamn, we was goddamn trying to code bots. You know what I mean? So goddamn, I was the trader, and D Prime ass was a nigga that goddamn he was a nigga that coded bots. So the story with D Prime is I used to do like my free shit just before I had a name. It's just when I was trying to build my name up with this trading shit. So I had a big ass free community of over like 600 people, and I would live trade with them every single day and just teach them shit. That's how I got my name out there when it comes to like me knowing what the fuck I'm doing. Goddamn, D Prime was somebody who was like double my age. I was like fucking 19, 20 at the time. You think I'm saying? Well, probably like 2021. Goddamn, this nigga's like fucking 50 plus. So he calls my goddamn phone. Like, I'm on the phone with one of my students one day, and she like, hey, like I got somebody on the other line. This nigga been dying to talk to you. I'm like, bet, put him on the phone. And he put him on the phone, and the nigga like, oh my, like, mind you, he's double my age now. So this shit blew my mind. This is the first like real big testimonial I ever had. This is what really made me start like teaching for real. This nigga called me and he was like, damn, Tracy, like calling me King and all type of shit. He was like, King, I never thought I'd be able to talk to you. Like, this is such a God-given conversation. Like, I've never thought in a million years I'd be able to talk to you. Thank God for you, King. Like, you just made me $20,000 last night off of your signal. I've never made that much money in my life. If there's anything I can never do for a nigga, sent me $3,000 like off the love. Like, it was crazy. You know what I'm saying? So goddamn, like, I partnered with this nigga and goddamn, we opened up a community to where I was teaching niggas how to trade and he was teaching niggas how to code bots. You know what I mean? And together we was goddamn like this one fucking powerhouse that didn't end up going how we thought it was gonna go. That shit crashed out for a million different reasons. But in the midst of that, you know what I'm saying? Niggas was making pay. That Telegram was jumping too. And niggas was making good pay. To the point where I ran up fucking 10,000. But yet D Prime, his bots won't really bunking, bro. Like them bitches won't bunking. I swear to God, them bitches won't bunking. Like we was trying to figure this shit the fuck out. Nigga, I used to spend hours in front of a guy on the MetaTrader terminal. Some of y'all don't even know about terminals, nigga. Some of y'all don't know about having MetaTrader downloaded on your computer and dealing with the fucking MetaTrader terminal instead of trading on your phone. Some of y'all don't know about that drip. You see what I'm saying? That's where you can really come on that bitch and code some shit and code a bot. You know what I'm saying? I had that bitch trading for you. So that's what I used to spend hours doing every single day, bro, for like 3 months. And nigga, that shit wasn't working for me. The shit wasn't working for D. So I went and paid another fuck nigga that act like they knew what the fuck they was doing with these bots. I had ran up like $12,000 out the market. You know what I'm saying? The nigga charged 10K for a bot that was supposed to trade capital on top of 1K. So I was supposed to fund up the account with $1,000. It had different motherfucking like risk settings that I can go off of and shit, like fucking high risk, medium risk, low risk, things of that nature. And I can adjust shit based on fucking what pairs I traded. And that was the shit. And shit came with this fucking 10-minute long instruction video on how to motherfucking work and shit. And I put that $1,000 in that motherfucker, and that shit was gone just as fast as I funded that shit up. I couldn't believe it. I couldn't believe it. I could not fucking believe it. So that was like an $11,000 loss. Because not only did I lose the 10K, but I lost $1,000 and I fucked up on top of that. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's just one of my biggest L's when it comes to them getting scammed. Then we talk about shit, nigga. We done been through all of us done been through the biggest scam already with IML shit. We was paying them niggas $175 a month for nothing. You know what I'm saying? And shit, some of y'all $235. If you had that motherfucking goddamn that motherfucking the packages, nigga. That $235 every single month. Scam for a year plus and then pull 10K out your ass. You know what I'm saying? Or we talk about, once again, signals chats that you done paid, Instagram guru ass niggas that before y'all found us. So when we talk about when we talk about everybody else, like these niggas that be talking shit about Forex versus us, niggas, some motherfuckers just ain't built for it. And that's just what it is. That's just what it is. You see what I'm saying? But some of y'all were born with the goal. Now, how many times have you tried to walk away from Forex, y'all? Drop how many times, or unmute your mic and tell me how many times have you tried to quit the shit?
12 times. I ain't gonna lie to you. 12.
Man, I put this shit down one time. I'm back forever.
3, 4.
3,
I
4,
ain't quit.
7,
I
12.
some goddamn
Word.
break.
They quitted this shit.
Word up, all right? Like, I done tried to quit too, shit, man. What the fuck? Oh, God, like, everybody, if you sit on this motherfucker and act like you ain't, that market ain't never hit your ass so goddamn bad that you wanted to quit this shit, think you lying. You lying. It's either that or you ain't get hit hard enough. And God forbid that happens to you, nigga. That's a real motherfucking like chest grabbing, looking your fucking mirror ass.
You got to get in that mirror, boy.
Oh God, boy.
Like, man, I done got in the mirror and been like, what the fuck? I done lost 10 rats. That's
we get
bad.
in that mirror, that shit ugly, boy.
We say it all the time, nigga. We talk about those praying on your knees, praying to God moments.
Man,
we talk
come
about
back.
the punch a holes in the wall moments.
Yeah, just come back to break even. I swear to God, I'm getting out there, motherfucker.
I know how many. We said this shit last week. How many times y'all lied to God when it comes to trading? I'll never do it again.
No,
do it again.
Huh? And they be lying like a motherfucker. Do it again next day. You know what I'm saying? So like, it just goes to show, goddamn, like we've all been through the motherfucking ringer. But like, one thing, like some of us are kind of just. I ain't gonna say we chose it because like it's a lot of motherfuckers that keep getting drawn back to the market and yet they still don't get it. It is what it is. But some of us, if not every single one of us on this motherfucker, like is such thing as like alignment in life, right? Like divine alignment. You see what I'm saying? Like it's like what I always say, keep y'all third eyes open, nigga. If God continues to, no matter how many times you walk away from something, if your ass just end up back here every single goddamn time, that's telling you something, nigga. You might just be one of the chosen ones, one of the 1% that's ready to get rich from here. You might just be one. Anthony is a 1%. JR, 1%. Big Esco Boomin, 1%. KJ, 1%. Who else on this call is 1%? You know what I'm saying? And it sounds fucking crazy, right? We're literally the 1% of the world right now. We ain't fucking multi-trillionaires, But bitch, we done reached financial freedom off the same goddamn markets that fucking Trump and them is. You understand? We're doing the same shit that Trump and them is doing. The same shit. And I don't know if y'all follow Trump on Twitter, but this nigga is hitting the biggest bull run in eternity. I don't know if y'all follow this nigga on Twitter or on X, but this bitch, him and his team, his wife, everybody that got anything to do with this nigga Trump, Elon, all these niggas is telling you to buy the dip every single time something falls, nigga. They posting it straight. Buy the dip. They're posting that verbatim. Buy the dip. Cryptos, gold, oil, anything that has anything to do with bull run, nigga. It's raps. It's raps. It is raps. Get his shit. Get his shit. 3 more years, nigga. Bro, I swear to God, but get his shit 3 to 5 more years, nigga. Cash ain't gonna be shit no more. I mean that, nigga. I mean it.
It's
boy.
already not shit. They about to
It's
have
already
niggas using XRP with the checks. They about to
nigga,
start
I'm
with the
telling you.
cash checks. So if
Bro, I'm
y'all got
telling you,
cash checks, y'all better figure that shit out.
I better figure that shit out, but I swear to God, by 2030, but I can damn near put my whole life on it, boy. But I'm not. Knock on wood, nigga. By 2030, cash ain't gonna be shit. I mean, I'm talking about you can't use it. I'm talking about you can't even buy weed with it, nigga. I'm talking about it's useless, pointless. Everything goes crypto. Everything goes electronic. Everything. Every fucking thing, nigga. We're going through a new world order right now. You understand? A real one at that. I mean, the same shit that fucking George Bush and them was hitting back in the 1990s and shit, nigga. We're going through that now. Biblical prophecy type time. We're living in times that the average motherfucker should be scared of. Facts.
Oh God, I'm scared.
I'm not. Hey, I'm not. Wanna know why I'm not scared in a time of financial crisis is because we have a skill set that others don't. You understand? So like when shit hits the fan and motherfuckers get to goddamn losing jobs, or when the value of the dollar starts going lower and lower to the point where nigga we ain't making enough goddamn money and all that goddamn shit. You feel me? Majority goes down. Majority, everybody that depends on the government and I mean we're in trouble. Like we're in trouble in different ways when it comes to us, right? We're not in trouble when it comes to money. I would say that we need to be worried when it comes to like how we'll get our goods. That's what I'll say we'll be worried about, like food and shit like that. Because as we know, everything we eat is fucking poison, nigga. We need to learn how to farm and shit like that. You know what I'm saying? That's like more deep on down the line. As far as money goes, financial crisis, nigga, nobody on this call should be worried about shit unless you just don't get it yet. If you don't get it yet, you better go ahead and get it ASAP.
Yeah, put $1,000 aside and just start buying XRP and Bitcoin. I'm telling you.
Word on gang. That's the easiest
Every
investment of
dip.
2020. That's the every day. Nigga, I got that shit on reoccurring buys right
And
now.
Dogecoin.
And Doge. Yeah. Yeah, Doge. I ain't looking Doge, bro. I ain't gonna say Doge. Where's Doge at? I forgot how to spell that bitch. Doge. All right, Doge US dollar. Yeah. Yeah, these cryptos is like the easiest way. Like I'm not even putting no money. Like of course I got money in my bank account and shit, but most of my shit is sitting in crypto right now. Like it's the easiest way to double your chicken. Not even double. Like I'm talking about like 10x, 20x, 50x, 100x. So you gotta be willing to sit on that. Gotta be willing to sit on that. Doge. I ain't looked at Doge since that bitch went up and went back down. I remember this bull run right here. Everybody, hey, y'all remember when this bitch really got the wildin'? When this bitch pulled this shit off right here? So and everybody, their mama was happy as hell. That shit blessed a lot of niggas, bro. A lot of people got rich off this. You know what I'm saying? Off of this move right here on Doge, but she fell back down. Doge price action is ugly though.
Funny Mike is.
You said what? That shit breaking up like a motherfucking thing. I can't hear shit that nigga saying. But oh shit, I got a chat over here. I forgot I'm on YouTube. You do mentorship for beginners? Yes, I do. All the way from South Africa. What's up, y'all? Hey, we got South Africa in this bitch. Word, I forgot I got a YouTube chat. Word up, word up. That's what's up. That's what's up. Yeah, Doge. Shit, I mean, it could buy, but I don't like this price. I wouldn't take the buy no time soon. Shit. Like the beauty of being a trader, right, is we don't just go off of speculation no more. We don't just go off of goddamn like it could buy. No, like we can read a chart and not only figure out if it could buy, but where it could buy from and where it could go to. It's like even if I was bullish on this bitch, I'm not touching this motherfucker till she falls. Why? Because it's trend line right here. Trend line liquidity and we stop short of a gap. That would be my buy area down there. Inside of that gap right there. And then look and take it up from there. I mean, either way it goes, nigga, all these cryptos, Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, I don't give a fuck what it is, nigga. Y'all got to get that money in there. Y'all got to get Sui. Oh God, Solana, all these bitches, Solana, set in stone, nigga. Solana ready to go. All these bitches, bro. And like I've been calling these cryptos, especially if you be in my CS chat, nigga. I love to pull out these receipts, nigga. Don't act like this ain't something that now it's buying. Now that everything's buying, now I'm telling y'all to get in. Nah, nigga, we've been ready for this shit since before all the shit started popping off. Must I show you crypto investments tabs in Big Esco Booming joint where I tell you guys to buy all these motherfucking cryptos. We can go look at every single one of these goddamn charts and all these bitches is bunking, nigga. Every single one of them up 30+%, nigga, if not 100, nigga. We talking about Sui, XRP, Bitcoin, XLM, Cardano. You know what I mean? We've been looking at all these bitches, nigga. All of them. And I told y'all why. Go Google this. You know what I mean? Go Google that right there. You'll know why cryptos are meant to take over.
What crypto ledger are you using?
I'm not using a ledger. We got a regular wallet.
You use crypto.com?
Yeah. Yeah, I got crypto.com. I got crypto.com. They taxing us. Crypto be taxing like a motherfucker.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to avoid. I was thinking there's a way to shortcut that shit.
Right, it is, right. It's like probably got to use a different platform like Kraken or some shit like that. I know a lot of motherfuckers
Yeah,
that
use Kraken.
I know a lot of
Kraken?
motherfuckers that use. Y'all know
Yep.
Telegram has bots that y'all can buy crypto on and shit like that. Like
Huh?
yeah, Telegram has bots like little. Telegram has little bots that you can buy crypto on. This is one of them. It's called Trojan. It's a Solana one, so you can goddamn buy Solana and literally hold it right here on. You have your own little personal little wallet address. You know what I'm saying, and all that good shit. It's a lot. It's a lot of different ones. This is how I used to trade goddamn meme coins. You see what I'm saying? It's by putting the money in through here. So they got another one called BonkBot. You see what I'm saying? Now these motherfuckers right here we gotta find one because these two ones right here that I'm showing y'all are specifically for memes, right? So what I'm saying is there are ones specifically for cryptos as well, like Bitcoin, XRP, Stellar, things of that nature. These are bots that you can like, it's kind of like I ain't gonna say it's like that. I ain't gonna say I was gonna say it's like Instacoins, but it's not even like Instacoins because Instacoins is a platform where you're buying crypto simply to send it off, right? It's just like an area we can just buy it just to send it. This right here, these little bots on Telegram, these are areas where these are little bots where like it's like your own little personal wallet. You can hit it on, you can buy goddamn crypto on these bitches. You can have your whole wallet right here. You can keep refreshing this motherfucker and it'll show you where your money at. If it's going up, if it's going down, all that good shit, and you can send that bitch off. And them transactions be super speedy, nigga. I'm talking about this shit be there like this. 5-10 minutes, thing that should be in your crypto wallet. I ain't never seen nothing like that. So if y'all want to use that, let me do a little bit more due diligence to find a bot specifically for these regular cryptos and not for memes. But just know that there are options out this bitch. We just gotta find them. I mean, there are options out this bitch. Just know that all of the main crypto exchanges, like any crypto exchange that's like centralized, you dig what I'm saying? Like, that bitch got a commercial on TV for it, bitch. They gonna tax your ass, nigga. Point blank period. Gotta find a low key one. Gotta find a low key one. All right, so that's where due diligence and research comes into play. Until I find that bitch, nigga, I'm on crypto.com, nigga. I don't care. I don't care. All the coins that are used for transactions. I use Phantom. Phantom Wall is another good one too. Phantom is something I use for. I had used that bitch for trading meme coins too. Phantom Wild is actually good. I stand Phantom. I stand Phantom. All right. All right. But yeah, cryptos are set in stone, y'all. Do not be investing in crypto. Don't wait until the last second. Don't wait until it's too fucking late. If you want to have your money spending for itself, this is how niggas is able to like keep money circulating. You see what I'm saying? Because when we taking the money, like we're not just taking the money and spending it. Well, at least I'm not. I don't know what the fuck everybody else is doing. Nigga, if I was taking all the money that I was getting, I was spending it, I would have a lot more than I had. Trust me. I would have a goddamn nigga. I got a big ass house right now. I have a way big house. I have a whole bunch of goddamn cars right now. I'll be doing the KJ shit. If my goal was to take all my money and just spend it the second I get it because I know I can print it back. Yeah, to a certain extent, I do that to a certain extent, but not as much as I could. Why? Because Esco Boomin is trying to set up for longevity, bitch. Money comes, money goes. All right, money comes, money goes. But I want this shit to be generational to the point where the Esco Boomin don't even have to pop a trade. You understand? Yeah, it's great. It's great to be able to sit right here and make money all day off these charts. But what if I didn't even have to do that? All right? What if I didn't even have to do that? What if all I have to do literally is just wake up? That's it. I don't even got to pull up a chart. See, this right here, like, we don't got no job. We not working, but it still technically work, right? Like, we got to get up, look at the chart. You know what I mean? Pop, buy, pop, sell. It's something we got to do. What if I ain't got to do shit? That's what's setting up the long-term plays for, nigga. You see what I'm saying? That's why we're investing in cryptos and things like that now. Nigga, we've been investing in shit for the last 2-3 years. If you just now getting on, not saying it's too late. What I'm saying is bring your ass on before it's too late. You understand? Because once again, 2-3 years from now, max 5, crypto will be everything. The dollar will be nothing. Nothing. I mean, you can't even buy no fucking weed with it. That ass, like, the plug ain't gonna take it, bitch. You got to send them XRP. Got to. Hey? So, get with it, bro. I'm telling you, get with the shit, bro. I know. Us as black motherfuckers, I know every single one of us was called damn that black as hell. Boy, it sucks when I tell you, hey, bro, put some money right here and don't touch that bitch for 5 years. That sucks, don't it? 5 years, nigga. I can't. Nigga, you telling me to keep putting money in this shit every single goddamn day and I can't touch this money for 5? Yes, I'm telling you that. Yes. Yes, I am. You thank me in 5 years. You'll thank me. You'll thank me. You will thank Esco Boom. Have I ever steered y'all in the wrong direction? You guys need to be investing. Huh? So get y'all motherfucking money's worth. You know what I mean? Come get y'all some motherfucking crypto. Come get y'all some mentorship. Bitch, it's lock-in time. It's lock-in time. Let's go look at these Forex Factory. If y'all got any questions, by all means, y'all know what to do. Ask away. I'm an open book as of right now. I mean, and yeah, let's have an amazing week. Y'all fucking with that new Trader Talk song.
That shit fire.
Well, that bitch the one, boy. That bitch viral right now. I've been waiting for one of these songs to go viral, bitch. I think I got it. I think I just made it. I think I just made that bitch, boy. One song goes viral and it's raps. Nigga said, play that motherfucker. Hold up. I gotta find that bitch. It's somewhere on my motherfucking email. Hold up. I got to find out. Shit. I don't know where that little bitch at. I gotta send it to myself. Give me a second. Oh no, there it go right there. Oh yeah, there it go right there. Y'all wanna hear that bitch? Y'all wanna hear that bitch?
Let's hear it.
Y'all wanna hear that bitch? Y'all wanna hear that new Trader Talk motherfucker? Once. Hear that bitch, nigga. This the one. We finna go viral with this one.
Can't hear that bitch.
Hold up. Bitch, I'm over here nodding my head like this. I'm in this bitch lit. Oh, God. Just walked out the club. I just stop. All right, let's do it again.
Okay.
Let's go booming in this bitch, nigga. Too much pain is not enough pay. Bird in the building. Okay, let's go. Just walked out the club. I just threw your stop. Every day I get to it, nigga, I gotta get this guap. Ain't no one bust my bubble, nigga, I'm the one that made shit pop. I just spread 30,000 and 20s on my countertop. Okay, let's go. As soon as I pop the sale, I'ma watch the market drop. Know you see that big ass X in the game, I mark my spot. Making my moves in silence, nigga, I don't like to talk a lot. I don't. Walk outside, see nothing but foreign whips in the parking lot. I got paper, baby. Know you wanna spend it. Broke ass nigga say I'm tricking, but little bitch, I got plenty. Young nigga love by minute. Bad bitches in the crib shaking all ass and titties. Yeah, nigga love them 20s, but I start getting horny when I'm counting out hundreds and fifties. I got fine shit with me. Say her body T, I'm like, okay, lift it. That nigga worry about hoes instead of getting money. I'm like, okay, pimpin'. Got me some money to saying that I got the juice. Felt like OJ Simpson. I throw some racks in the bed right before we fuck. Know my folk play different. Look at me now, nigga. Look at me now. See my chain and they like, wow. Buy my shit and
Damn. See Fred over there popping the heart. I don't know what the fuck is that. Damn. Hold on.
Crank.
What happened? That bitch
Crank.
go hard.
Hey, that bit hard. No cap.
That bitch hard. I watched that bitch a while. I don't know why the bitch stopped. Shit. Run it back.
What?
Yeah,
No
that bitch
rap.
Yeah, that
No
beat.
rap.
That beat. That
Do it
beat
again. Do it again.
go.
Again.
Beat stupid.
Let's go booming in this bitch, nigga.
Hold on. That bitch
Much
stop.
pain is not enough pain.
Man, just walk out the club through your fucking stop loss, bitch.
Just walked out the club, I just threw your stop. Every day I get to it, nigga, I gotta get this guap. Ain't no one bust my bubble, nigga, I'm the one that made shit pop. I just spread 30,000 and 20s on my countertop. Okay,
Let's go.
as soon as I pop the sale, I'ma watch the market drop. Know you see that big ass X in the game, I mark my spot. Making my moves in silence, nigga, I don't like to talk a lot. I don't. Walk outside, see nothing but foreign whips in the parking lot. I got paper, baby. Know you wanna spend it. Broke ass nigga say I'm tricking, but little bitch, I got plenty. Young nigga love by minute. Bad bitches in the crib shaking all ass and titties. Yeah, nigga love them 20s, but I start getting horny when I'm counting out hundreds and fifties. I got fine shit with me. Say her body T, I'm like, okay, lift it. That nigga worry about hoes instead of getting money. I'm like, okay, pimpin'. Got me some money to saying that I got the juice. Felt like OJ Simpson. I throw some racks in the bed right before we fuck. Know my folk play different. Look at me now, nigga. Look at me now. See my chain and they like, wow. Buy my shit and they like, how? Bitch, I'm drippin', check my style. I see cash and crack a smile. Nigga, I don't want no smoke with you. You niggas black 'em out. I'm in GJ deep in profit. Ride this trend like Kawasaki. Shit get hot just like a talkie. 50,000 on my body. Need my riches like I'm riding. I'm the shit, but not no potty. Most these niggas, they won't copy. I'm the number one regardless, nigga. Who gon' fuck with a team? All that I need is a bag of exotic, nigga. I don't know fuck with a lean. Been in the markets as long as I remember, nigga. Bitch, I've been stuck since a teen. I got a knot that's so fat in my pocket, nigga. This should be stuck on my jeans. This should be stuck on my dreams. This should be stuck on my sight. Tell your little bitch to get off of my dick, little nigga. Must not be fucking alright. Turn out some hundreds before I hit sheets, little nigga. I gotta tuck it at night. Look at my neck like a bag of ice. I tell you once, I won't tell you twice. Let's go. They tryna figure me out. I'm getting paid for it. I'm just doing the shit that you couldn't do, but you gonna hate for it. Yes, I love my state, but I'm on a plane to another state for what? Walk in the motherfucking club, as soon as they see me, they bringing out race for what? Young nigga love the flex. These niggas thinking I'm getting in shape for what? How can I say no hoe? These niggas walk around without a case for what? You can just make your plate, but your ass still wanna take off my plate for what? Take off my plate for let's go. Who gon' fuck with a team? All that I need is a bag of exotic, nigga. I don't know fuck with a lean. Been in the markets as long as I remember, nigga. Bitch, I've been stuck since a teen. I got a knot that's so fat in my pocket, nigga. This should be stuck on my jeans.
Oh God. This should be stuck in
Come
my
on,
dreams.
bro. Drop that shit, man.
Hey, that hoe finna go stupid.
That bitch finna go viral, boy. That bitch finna go viral. I'm about to shoot a music video to that bitch, nigga. It's over with. It is over with, boy. Watch how I cook it up. Watch how I cook it up, boy. Ooh, shit.
Hey, let me know when you do the music video. I'm gonna come down. Wherever you at, I'm gonna come down.
I'm finna do this shit this week. I'm finna do this shit this week. I'm finna make a flyer. I wanna go like pop it. Like I wanna like go dead ass go to the club and pop it. So and like make a flyer. Get all my traders out here. We gonna go and pop it, nigga. On God, like we gonna go. I'm trying to do this shit this weekend. I'm gonna get my cameraman. They going to the ball. You know, so walk in the club. I just stop. And that's where everybody's going crazy. I post that shit on TikTok, nigga.
Boy, that bitch going stupid.
Boy, that bitch going stupid right now, nigga. Like that bitch ain't viral yet, but it's about there, boy. I'm telling you, like, nigga. All I need is one song to go viral with this Trader Talk shit, bitch, and we just unlocked a whole new fucking genre of music. All it takes is one. Y'all looking at the start something major, nigga. I keep telling y'all, nigga, over my dead body, boy. It's gonna happen. You might as well just support it now. You ain't gonna have no choice later. All right, schedule for the week, and then we can take questions. I get y'all about here if y'all ready. All right. Tuesday, we got shit going on. We got jokes at 10 o'clock tomorrow, so we'll be up for 10. See how jokes affects price action, but the real big dogs is Thursday and Friday. Them the real big dogs. Oh shit, Wednesday through Friday shit. It's a bloodbath all week. It is NFP week. So yeah. 10 o'clock Tuesday, 10 a.m. Wednesday.
I have to double it.
You said nah, you finna withdraw, nigga. Nah, you ain't finna keep you finna withdraw some paper, nigga. Fuck all that. I'm not finna Nah, nigga. Withdraw 100 and take that 100 to 5, nigga. Oh god, fuck all that. I'm not finna let y'all keep goddamn nigga. It's lit. I ain't sleeping at all, bitch. Take that motherfucking money, nigga. Cause it's easy. Like y'all, this is what I need niggas to understand, right? Word on game. Yes, he can take that. He can take the 250, right? And turn that bitch to $1 million, like easily, right? But nigga, what I'm saying is he can also withdraw $150,000, leave $100,000, and then take down 100 to $1 million just as fast. When you have that much capital,
Yeah.
you understand?
I see what you're saying. It ain't like you gotta risk the whole 250.
Right.
to
You know what I'm
make it.
saying?
I'm not
And
gonna risk the whole
100,000 and
250.
250. Bruh, no.
You gotta think I'm already floating 60-something thousand on gold alone.
Bruh, so withdraw, nigga, and do it again. That's what I'm talking about. Man, see, it's different strokes for different folks.
Hey, the
Esco
shit working for
Bowman-
you, and I ain't gonna say what you gotta do. The shit
Look.
work for you, man.
Look, that's what I was just about to say. I'm just doing what works for me. I'm doing what I speak on. I'm not gonna tell a grown man.
I'll pull out something just for you. I got you.
Bro,
I'll pull out something.
Bro, nigga, when you have 100,000 plus, nigga,
I'll pull out 100. I'll pull out 100, bro. I'll pull out 100. I'll send you a picture on Friday.
Hey,
Y'all
this is
see-
the new conversation. Y'all hear that shit? Niggas, I'm pull out.
I'm about to say, y'all see how casual we having this
Hey,
conversation right now,
pull out a
nigga?
little 100.
We're gonna pull out 100, nigga. Fuck niggas talking about.
I ain't talking about $100 either.
Nigga, this how
talking
niggas
about
come out,
That's
nigga.
what I'm saying. You gotta know.
Fuck.
That shit sounded so casual. Nigga. Pull out 100.
Pull out 100 bar real
New
quick.
100 is 100,000. Nigga, fuck $100. Nigga,
And then he can literally do it again. Like, nigga, this is my challenge to you. Just never let your account go below 100, and you will forever be able to print
in the profit.
You will forever be able to print 10, 20, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000 within minutes. You will forever be able to do that. Forever is if you keep your account above 100,000. Withdraw every nigga. What I would do, I swear to God, what I would do. This is me personally. I know I would do this because I'm doing it with 5K, and that's how I hit 6 figures. You see what I'm saying? If I had $100,000 in a trade account, you see what I'm saying?
Yeah, tell me what you would do, and I'm gonna listen. You ain't let me wrong.
I'm gonna do what you're doing. I'm not gonna sit here and say I wouldn't do what you do, right? But I would do it once. So I would got them take my 100, turn that bitch to whatever, take a big ass withdrawal. All right, bet. But I'm also gonna leave 100,000 that bitch. So what I would do is I would take 100, turn it to 500, $1 million, whatever. You know what I'm saying? I would set a threshold for myself and not get greedy. So like 500, 750, whatever. Take the fucking money. You can literally withdraw $400,000. You know what I'm saying? And then leave 100,000 in. Now from that point on, with $100,000 worth of capital, bitch, one trade I can withdraw every single time. Because I'm making 10, 20, 30K a trade. There's no longer me having to trade every single day. You understand? You can do that as much as you want to, but understand that the more you trade, the more you put your money at risk, nigga. With $100,000, I don't have to pop 1 million trades to make 5 or 6 figures. I don't.
But this is the thing, though. This is the thing. I didn't already seen 100 cash. That's the thing. That's already on ice. That's put up
before trading.
Nigga, I ain't fucking off. I done seen 100 ball.
Well, see, that's different because Esco Boomer never seen 100 until trading. You see what I'm saying? Now I'm a little bit more comfortable with the money. Now I'm comfortable with the money. You see what I'm saying? But back then I was not. So I'm just speaking on what I would do based on how I've been coming up. I can't speak on shit and I can't tell this nigga what to do because in all actuality, he done surpassed me, right? So it's like this nigga, niggas like JR, but they on their own wave now, bro. Like I can't tell these niggas what the fuck to do. And I can't even sit here and say what I would do because I'm not in that situation. Once again, I'm a 5-figure nigga when it comes to you know what I mean, the
Nah, bro,
withdrawals
you
I'm
gotta
pulling
speak
out.
that shit into
So
existence, bro. You a
no,
six-figure earner.
that shit. I am a 6-figure earner. Like this shit is already. Not only is it already set in stone on paper, but I already know that I'll be able to make 6 figures a trade. Like that. I'm not. I don't tweak on that. I look at y'all and be like, oh my god, like that shit is lit. I don't tweak on me making that shit, nigga. I promise you, I'm good.
No,
What
but
I'm
I never thought
saying,
I'd make 100K off trading though. I done made 100K in the truck. I didn't surpass the 100K, but I never
so
thought I'd make 100K over
none of us did.
trading.
I guarantee is none of us that have hit that 6-figure
But I
mark.
told you though.
did.
I told you I
You
was
did.
gonna be the next one.
You did. And he was the next one too. He won't the second next one. He won't the third next one. He was the next motherfucker. And he told me he was gonna do it. He told me he was gonna do it, man. Fact. So with that being said, just be safe with the chicken. Just be safe with the chicken. Don't boil all that shit down to say, nigga, once again. As of right now, I'm not in that shoes. I'm not trading with that much money. So I can't tell you what the fuck to do. All I would say is don't let your account go over 100. Because when your account can't go over 100, then bro, the compounded effect kind of goes out the window, don't it? When you already have 6 figures in your trading account. You understand what I'm saying? Like,
Yeah.
That's the point I'm trying to make. like, you don't have to sit here and, you know what I mean, pop a million trades to get that big ass profit you're looking for, nigga. It's one trade now. So as a result, you don't have to do as much as you're doing now. Does that make sense what I'm telling y'all? Not just Anthony, everybody else. Does that make sense as to why I'm saying that? You know what I mean? Once again, you can take 100,000 and trade just as much as you trade with now. But like, the reason why y'all trade as much as y'all trade now is to get the profits that we are seeing. Once you can make those profits in one trade in 5 minutes, all that extra shit is dead unless you're just a greedy ass nigga. One's in chat if we agree, right? One's in chat if we're on the same page here. Or if you disagree, by all means, like, holler at me. You know what I'm saying? Because this is an open conversation, right? What would you do if you had 100,000 in your trading account? How much would you trade? Knowing the type of profits you can see. All right? You try to make $1 million off of 100,000 in a day, but you greedy, bro. I'm telling you, if you try to take 100,000 to $1 million in a day, you are greedy because you don't understand how easy it is to take it in like a week, right? Like, bro, I don't even know how to explain. I don't even know how to explain that shit. Cause word on game, I don't even know how to explain it. This is like a if you know, you know type thing. It's like if you know, you know. Some of y'all haven't traded with enough capital for y'all to know what the fuck I mean. You see what I'm saying? I haven't even traded with $100,000 yet, right? Unless it's a prop firm. However, the profits that I get from a 5K trading account, right? And the fact that I can print 5 figures from $5,000 in a day, 2-3 days, right? Now, 100,000. You feel what I'm saying? Like, y'all get what I'm trying to say. You feel me? Like, I know it's a completely different ballpark, but it's a completely different ballpark. So, you know what I mean, just keep that in mind, man. You know what I mean, more money, more problems. Nigga, now we got to deal with a little bit more mindset shit. But my nigga, at this point, like, he has advantages that we don't because, once again, he's seen 100 before trading. I didn't, and majority of us call didn't. So, of course, our mindset may be a little bit different. Niggas like Anthony are more comfortable with trying to turn 100,000 to $1 million because he don't need the 100,000. You see what I'm saying? Most of us gonna need that 100. So that's where like that shit come into play. Nigga, give me that shit. Nigga, I don't necessarily need the 100, but I'm not in no goddamn situation where I'm gonna just say, nah, fuck that 100. I'm taking $100,000, nigga. You know what I'm saying? It's to each his own. Whatever floats niggas' boats. You know what I'm saying? Mia. Fuck all that. Tyler said he buying assets so I don't have to trade every day. That's the goal. That's the goal. Don't nobody want to trade every single day. Like, we're doing that to get rich. Once you're rich, then what, right? Then what? Of course, we got to keep the money coming in. We got to keep the money flowing. So I ain't gonna tell you that you're never gonna pop a trade again once you get rich. But what I'm saying is, once you have the money, you can put.
You're
that
not
shit
pressed
right
about the money no more. I'll say that.
Exactly. You're not pressed about it no more, bro. You are not pressed about it no more. And you will be a lot more willing to take risks too. Like, that's another thing too. Like, you'll be a lot more willing. Like, you see how he just said, I'm about to go drop $118,000 on a truck. That's a risk. But that's a risk that's gonna get that nigga exponential rewards. You know what I mean? Most of y'all niggas will be scared to do that. Y'all niggas be scared to do that because y'all scared where the next dollar gonna come from. If you take $5,000 of your hard-earned money and go invest into something that doesn't have a guaranteed return, you see what I'm saying? It's just more or less on like what you do with that shit. You're not going to fucking do it because you don't know where your next 5K is gonna come from. when you're printing that shit religiously on a daily fucking basis, you're gonna be a lot more willing to take a motherfucking risk because you're not worried about printing that money back. You're gonna get it back naturally. As a result, more risk you take, rich you get, nigga. Facts.
Okay.
Huh? Right or wrong? These
Don't
are
be scared
facts.
to take the risk. I mean,
Oh,
you taking
God,
the
you
risk of a
got
trade, take a risk with your life.
word up. You got to trust yourself more than anybody in this world, nigga. It's you against anybody. Remember, bro, this shit ain't no motherfucking
It ain't a
nigga.
race either. I'll tell
Like,
you that. It's
it's
not a race.
yes, it's definitely not a race. It's definitely not a race. Like, the richest nigga in the world ain't get rich till 40, 50, 60, nigga. You know what I'm saying? These niggas that got motherfucking $1 trillion, I mean, fucking multi-billion dollars of net worth, nigga, didn't see that shit until they was fucking wrinkles on their face, nigga. You know what I'm saying? It's like y'all are
I'm trying to
good.
avoid that. I'm trying to be at 30. No cap.
We're tired before 30 is the goal for everybody.
Hey, and you trying to come off the road or but what's your plan with that?
No, man. I'm all local. Really, I just want to come in and train like 4 or 5 people and just dispatch them and stuff like that. I mean, really, to be honest, it's easy work. I mean, I know alone I can make 70, 80,000 just by me running my truck, and that's not what the truck made. Truck made like 550,000 this year, just alone. So I'm only paying myself 100K. So that's 400K positive. Truck finna be paid off in February, so I'll buy another one in February.
Yeah, I got 2 boys doing the same thing. Like a couple steps behind you, but yeah, doing the same shit, bro.
Nigga, did you have that plan prior to you touching the money, or is this something that once you got the chicken, like you just like, all right, this is what I'm gonna do with it? Like, did you already have this plan prior?
Yeah, I already had this plan. I just needed to figure out how could I make more capital without doing as much work.
Yep. Yeah. Well, welcome to trade. Ha! Welcome to Forex. Yeah, I mean, there you go. Welcome
And
to
then
Forex.
I'm gonna be honest, my homeboy right now, he doing futures. He just got paid 50,000 out from Top Step.
Shit.
So,
Oh,
yeah.
everybody's up this bitch eating, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I be telling y'all success is contagious. Y'all don't be believing me until it touches you. One day you
You
gonna
just gotta
believe.
you just gotta be around like-minded individuals. So I'll say
You
that.
have to. You have to, nigga. You are what you
If not,
attract.
it's
You
gonna be
are
hard. It's gonna be hard to have conversations with people that don't got a like-minded mindset.
Oh, God, you can't have a $100,000 conversation with $1,000 nigga, huh? You
Exactly.
can't do that. You can't do that, bro. Some of y'all be the smartest niggas in y'all room, and that's why you never fucking grow. Nigga, I learned so much from being a slayer, not just off of like in KJ. I don't get no money from him. You know what I'm saying? Like niggas be thinking that nigga be handing me money and shit. Like I've never got a dime from that nigga. But the information that I've learned from like this nigga has outweighed any type of dollar amount that they can give me. You understand? Like getting yourself like speaking from experience, right? Word on game. This whole time, right? I've been like the mentor, you feel me? In my state, whatever the case may be. To me, I'm the biggest out here. I don't see nobody, dog. That's not the point. The point is, goddamn, being the mentor of Forex in a state or area where Forex is not popular means that you are constantly the smartest motherfucker in the room. You are always the teacher, right? I'm always a teacher. I don't have nobody to learn from unless it's one of my fucking students that is good in something else that I don't know shit about. Besides that, I'm always the smartest motherfucker in the room. So as a result, yes, I'm able to grow because in order for you guys to grow, I have to grow too, right? Because I have to make sure the shit that I'm saying is on point. I got to make sure that my live trade is on the money, all that good shit. So in order for me to get y'all right, I got to be on point, right? But at the same time, you can't grow but so motherfucking much, bro. You can't. You see what I'm saying? You are what you attract. You are who you hang around, nigga. Birds of a feather flock the fuck together. That's not just no saying when we talk about hoes and shit, nigga. This is real life. This is real fucking life, nigga. You are
Like
who
I
the
said,
fuck
you
you
can only be
are.
so you can only
Word
be
up.
so self-motivated. You feel
That's a
me?
fact. That's a fact, bro. It's
Sometimes you
so
need that other motivation from other people. Yeah.
word up. You have to see it. Sometimes it's a lot deeper than just looking at some shit, looking at a picture on Google and be like, oh, one day I want to have that. Or looking at a YouTube video and be like, damn, one day that's gonna be me. But you gotta see that shit. You gotta live it. You gotta experience it. You gotta talk to niggas that's been there. You gotta talk to
Your
Exactly.
niggas.
That's what I
environment.
did.
Your
I'm gonna keep
environment.
it a buck.
Word
That's exactly
up.
what I did. I seen my first 100K. I was like, bro. He was
That's
like,
why I took.
he told
That's why
me
I
the
took the risk
blueprint.
that's why I took the risk when it comes to joining the Slayers. Because in all
Yeah.
actuality, think of it from my perspective, right? And I want y'all to think about this. I'm a nigga that has a community of over 300 students, and think of it from a business, right? I sacrifice money out my pocket. Think of it from a business perspective, right? You know what I'm saying? If you was a mentor and you had people paying you, right, to join the goddamn shit, and then somebody came to you and was like, "Hey, nigga, join me and split that shit half with me," how would you feel off the flat, right? Like, damn, nigga, you take a like, Vin, what you mean? You know what I'm saying? But then you think it from an opposite side of the spectrum. Quit thinking short term, Tracy. Think about what you can learn from being around motherfuckers you've never been around before. That's why I got on a motherfucking flight to Orlando and goddamn stayed with motherfuckers that I never goddamn met, never goddamn been around, and grew that motherfucking relationship, bro. It's not because how can I word this shit, bro? Once again, bro, you are who the fuck you hang around. You know what I'm saying? The experience is the shit that I know he can learn from. The shit that he knows I can 100% learn from. As a result, we water each other's pot. You dig what I'm saying? And that's how we're able to grow together. Now, when you're the only motherfucker watering somebody's pot, you gonna fuck around, run out of water. You understand? You gonna fuck around, run out of water. And then what? Feel me? You got to get around the right motherfuckers, bro. It's a lot deeper than just writing the shit down on some manifestation shit, bro. You have to go out. Network is your network. Y'all, you have to, bro. You have to. It's the only way. Because if you keep talking to the same motherfuckers you went to high school with, it's just raps. You're not gonna get nowhere.
And it's
Nowhere.
crazy because like that energy, that energy when you're giving all the energy, and it's hard to elevate when you can't get that same amount of energy back, on
You
that
can't.
same level.
Word
Yeah.
up. It's
You
draining.
get draining. You get drained.
It's
Yes.
draining. It's mentally draining. It's emotionally draining. It's physically draining. You feel as if, nigga, I'm giving all my all to these motherfuckers, and what the fuck am I getting from all this shit? Nothing. Nothing. You know what I'm saying? So now you feel as if you're selling yourself short. It's a million different domino effects that come from this shit, from watering everybody else's plant, and you ain't getting no water back. You know what I'm saying? Now you just so being around like-minded motherfuckers that don't have to give you shit. They don't have to hand you anything. But yet you can still take something from the shit, right? You know what I'm saying? Like, Amani, shit, coming to your show on my beat is what changed everything for me. Amani is the main example, right? Amani is one of my goddamn baddie students, right? You know what I'm saying? Baddies trade 2 chat. Nigga, she been in my career for the last motherfucking every single show I've been having for the last 2-3 weeks. She's been there. For the last month, she's been at my motherfucking career, but like not every single day, but like every weekend type shit. And I ain't been giving her nothing. I ain't handling no motherfucking money. But just off of the energy that she seen me around. She was here when Anthony first popped. When Anthony first got on the Zoom call, was like, I made 100. She was here. All right, she was right here beside me. You know what I'm saying? Goddamn, she watched me withdraw some chicken. She watched me, goddamn, you feel me, run the Zoom call. She just watched the energy of being around me every single goddamn day. You feel what I'm saying? What I'm able to do from a trader's lifestyle perspective. I ain't give her nothing. I just showed her what the energy is. Now her ass is what, $50,000, $100,000 funded right now? On futures at that? And about to tell their ass up for the first withdrawal this week? You know what I'm saying? That's easy money on. That's not from and that's not even for me doing a one-on-one with her. Like I didn't sit down on the chart and say boom, 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 boom. She was just right beside me when we did the markups. Besides that, we ain't talking about trade at all in this bitch. It's just more or less being around motherfuckers that have the results that you are looking for. It will naturally, fucking, it will just motivate you to do better. But when you always looking at the same niggas, the same shit, the same cribs, the same cars, the same, like, y'all, there's nothing. Some of y'all motherfuckers think the world is as big as your state, right? I know so many motherfuckers, Bull City to the death of me, nigga, Durham, North Carolina to the death of me. Nigga, fuck Durham. Fuck North Carolina, nigga, fuck all this shit. Nigga, the world is way bigger than this shit right here. You know what I'm saying? It's way bigger than that shit. But closed-minded motherfuckers will never see it. And if you don't never see some shit, you'll never strive to get it. Do you understand? Right? It's all speculation. It's all what if until you actually see it. And not only until you actually see it with your own eyes, but see it from somebody that no one else would think could have it. Like KJ and me. Right? Black niggas. Hood niggas. Niggas that went to prison. The niggas that the majority sleep on. You see what I'm saying? That the majority talk down on. You understand? We the niggas that's popping the shit right now. So when you see it happen from motherfuckers like us, not just no suit and tie ass nigga, not just no random Instagram nigga, but motherfuckers like us, it hit different. It hit different. You see what I'm saying? So saying all that to say, like, some of y'all be scared to network, some of y'all be scared to get out, some of y'all be scared to talk. Word on gang, nigga. You will be surprised, bro. Do y'all not know? Like, drop a one in the chat if you could talk to your best friend, your best friend about trading. Can you talk to any of your friends about trading? Can you?
Fuck
That
no.
shit Chinese.
Hell yeah.
I tried to
cannot.
express that shit to my
Hell
homegirl the
yeah.
other day.
And what, Christina? I know you can because you're best friend of baddies, right? All your friends is all your friends is my friends, nigga. Goddamn, majority of people on this call, on God, cannot talk to motherfuckers about trading. I ain't talking about motherfuckers that's in your circle now. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about motherfuckers you grew up with. Anybody that you know outside of Discord and Telegram. Can you talk to these niggas about trading? No, you cannot. You cannot, bro.
They look at you like you stupid as hell.
You what you say? What you say, Nadia?
I said they look at you like you stupid as hell, like you talking out of your ass or something. Like,
right? Yeah, because what's unknown to them is automatic ignorance. Do you understand? Like, it's fucking crazy, especially as black folks. And I can go walk up to a white motherfucker and be like, "Hey, you know, well, you want to learn about your? Oh, I'm all you this buddy. Oh God!" But folks just don't want to fucking do it, bro. And it just don't make no goddamn sense, bro. It don't make no sense. I say anything about 10K and anything about a shopping spree. Tough. That's tough. We won't talk nothing about investments though. Niggas, I can get around motherfuckers and they'll tell me how to fucking spend $10,000 any day of the week. But ain't nobody gonna tell me how to make it. And that's what's sad. Anybody that's in your immediate circle outside of Discord and Telegram, if they are not aligned with your wavelength physically, mentally, spiritually, emotionally, nigga, they will do everything in your power to drive you outside of your path. And not only that, but will beat your ass down and make you feel bad when you say fuck them. Oh God. Make you feel obligated to fuck with these niggas just because I grew up with y'all, nigga. Nigga, fuck y'all. Fuck is y'all niggas talking about, nigga? Man, don't get me on my soapbox today, boy.
Hey, what you said on that song, but can't show you 20K?
Oh God. It be niggas that be
nigga, keep going.
20,000. No
keep
rap.
going.
Man, nigga, it's always motherfuckers. It's always motherfuckers that aren't in your position that will try to tell you what they would do if they was in your position. You ever see niggas on Instagram, right? Like, you see it, like, for example, like, Word on Game. I had a comment on my Instagram the other day, right? Where I had posted, what did I post? I had posted something. I think it was like that Trader Talk song or something, right? And goddamn, a nigga commented and was like, "Oh, nigga, y'all niggas ain't making no money. Like, posting profits. Like, I don't post shit every single fucking day." So I responded, like, with a little trolling his ass. It was a little gif, said, "Shut your bitch ass up," right? And he got them sent this long ass paragraph on so about how we was got them capping and all that shit. So my student slid on him, like, I think it was JR, and he slid on the nigga. He was like, "Hey, bro, let me pay your mama rent," right? And the nigga said, "Nah, I'm good. My mama rent paid off." The nigga said, damn, I'm starting like a motherfucker. Nigga say, "My mama rent paid off, but goddamn, you could get her a new car though, but she want a 2025, not a 2007, like how your boy got." Talking about my Beamer, like I don't got a fucking 2016 Beamer. You know what I'm saying? Saying that to say, right? You know what I'm saying? First things first. You cannot. That's why they say don't show your success, right? This is exactly why they said. That's why they say just eat in peace, bro. You know what I'm saying? If it wasn't me being a fucking Forex mogul, nigga, wouldn't nobody know shit. Wouldn't nobody know nothing. And this is why. Because it don't matter how good you do, motherfuckers always find a way to shit on you. It don't matter how good you do. Secondly, a motherfucker that is not in my position, a motherfucker that can't even show me $15,000 right now. You know what I'm saying? That's what I spent to get that motherfucking car on the road. You can't even show me that right now. How can you tell me what you would do with money that you don't have? You understand? That's social media for your ass, bro. That's opinions for your ass. That's your parents for your ass. That's your friends for your ass that don't know shit about money. That's everybody. How many motherfuckers have told you goddamn when you goddamn like have you ever told a motherfucker no, like a nigga goddamn ask you, hey bro, like you want to do this for me? You want to go out with me, boom, 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 and then you hit their ass with a nah, bro, I'm trying to save some pay. And they look at you with the, ain't you having money? Right? Have you ever dealt with shit like that? Like, or have you ever dealt with like a nigga owing you some money? Right? Yeah, have a nigga ever owed you some
outside
money?
like a
But at the same,
motherfucker.
on God, have a nigga ever owed you some money, but they know that because you have money, you see what I'm saying? That they don't want to pay you your pay. Oh,
Boy, them
nah, shit,
tabs, them tabs wipe themselves when they
Or
think you
we'll be
got
like,
that
here go
money.
this little funky ass 1,000 back.
Right, this
Yeah.
little fucking
God
right.
damn.
So I told this little funky ass 1,000, you ain't want to pay my little funky ass 1,000. You know what I'm
That bitch
saying?
wasn't funky when you borrowed that
That
whole
bitch was
Oh
fresh
goddamn.
as
God, that
hell
bitch
when
was
you
funky.
came
That
and
bitch was
got
clean
it.
as
Bitch was
hell when you got that
Bet you
bar, that
gonna
little
borrow it
phone
again.
door.
bitch was roses.
Word up. You feel what I'm saying? So it's like it be them same motherfuckers. And this is why when JR, like I remember when JR got on the call and goddamn KJ was like, hey bro, if it's real, then put 10,000 in the account and goddamn flip it with me. And he told the nigga no. KJ automatically assumed, oh, he lying because he don't want to do that shit. Fuck you, nigga. If I was fucking JR, I would have said the same thing. Who am I to prove to you? What do I have to when you already rich, why do I gotta prove shit to somebody?
And that's the
You
thing about
understand?
being him. When you him, and
When
you
you're
know your
him, you understand? That just come with the game, though. It just come with the game. You see what I'm saying? It's like it don't matter how good you do, it don't matter how many receipts you goddamn post. You just can't please everybody, bro. You
That's
can't,
true.
bro. You can't. And it sucks. You know what I'm saying? It sucks, especially us as a black community. Like that shit sucks. But it just goes to show that once again, everybody isn't aligned to see this shit, bro. Everybody isn't aligned to be there. You feel what I'm saying? So it's like life is up to perspective, right? Like for example, I can put electrician in the same room right here. I can put an electrician in this motherfucker. I can put a plumber in here. I can put a painter in this motherfucker. In this room I'm sitting in right now, everybody gonna tell me 3 different problems that's wrong with this room. A painter will come in here and may not see the problems the electrician gonna have, but they can see what's wrong with my goddamn wall and be like, oh, okay, he needs to fix that. The electrician may not see that, but he gonna see something that's wrong with my electrical outlet right here. He can be like, all right, let me fix that. The plumber may not see that, but he gonna see something wrong with my toilet. Do you understand? Life is up to perspective. It's all about how you see the shit, right? So we all live in different fucking realities, believe it or not. And half of these niggas are on the wave, and half of us is not. So how can I word this shit like, boy, I'm preaching right now, but hold on, boy. Yeah, I mean, how can I word this shit right here like, nigga? Some people are just some people just know and some people don't, right? If you on this call, you're one of the motherfuckers that know. You're one of the motherfuckers that know what the fuck is popping. You know what the fuck is going on. A lot of people don't know, and that's why they'll always be stuck in the blind, right? And you can do your job, right? To try your hardest to lead motherfuckers out the blind, right? But everybody's not gonna come with the shit. And as somebody that tries their hardest to like, or at least at one point I did, as somebody that tries their hardest to put everybody on, you feel what I'm saying, and then kind of beat yourself up when, like, I'm a nigga that I would take on mentees and shit and then beat myself up when they didn't get it. All right. Even though I know how good of a teacher I am. I feel like, you feel me, like, damn, it's my fault that this nigga isn't studying when he's supposed to be studying. It's my fault that he's not listening to the rules. I'm telling you, it's not my fault. Right? Saying that to say, you can plant the seed in a motherfucking life, bro, and they can take that shit and run with it, or they can't. As long as you planted that motherfucking seed, you did your job. You know what I'm saying? You did your job, and just for that alone, where you will automatically receive the benefits, you will get what returns back to you in this motherfucking universe because you're putting that shit out there. You putting out that good energy. You know what I'm saying? Let me see these comments. This is what I'm talking about. Perspective of being receptive to one another, to another perception. Facts. That's exactly what it is, bro.
Basically,
Life.
like what you're describing is like you care enough to share the game and teach and try to put people in position. But the truth is, you can't control what somebody does with the information. That's on them.
That is correct. That is correct. You know what I'm saying? That is 100. That's exactly what I'm trying to say. You can. That's where the saying comes from. You can lead a nigga to a water, can't make him drink it. But as long as I led you to that motherfucking water, my job is done. My job is done. I have completed my task. And that's something that it took me a long time to realize, bro. A really long time. You know what I'm saying? I'm a nigga that wanted all fucking 600 plus niggas under me to be a six-figure nigga. Now I understand that's just not the reality of the situation. The reality is I can teach a million motherfuckers. Word up. The reality is I can show a million motherfuckers how to trade, and only 100 people is gonna get rich. That's just the reality of the situation. But as long as I planted that seed, no matter if the niggas got rich or not, my job is done. You understand?
Because you can plant the seed, but that don't mean they always gonna harvest. Some seeds will fall on good ground, some seeds will fall on bad ground.
That's a fact. That's a fact. That's just like this is random as hell, but I'm a real deep thinker. It's like witchcraft, right? Witchcraft, right? Witchcraft, like in the Bible and shit like that. You know what I'm saying? You say like witchcraft is it's evil, it's demonic, like sorcery, magic, shit like that, all that good shit, right? It's evil, demonic, blah 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 blah. No, it's not. All right. It's all about who has the power that makes that shit demonic, right? It's all about who, like, or money, right? You can give nigga A $1 million, give nigga B $1 million. $1 million A do the right shit with the money, $1 million nigga B do the wrong shit with the money. Does that mean that money is evil, period? Huh? Or does that mean that the person that it falls upon, that is what determines what is evil is not, right? So when it comes to what Gang was just saying, you feel me? Yeah, that's biblical. Oh God, the love of money. That's what makes it evil. Exactly, the love of money, the greed behind it, not money itself. It's all about what the motherfucker behind it does with it. You know what I'm saying? But goddamn, fuck, man, I be talking myself and stuff. I be saying so damn much. I be fucking throwing myself off. Fuck, man. What was I saying?
Witchcraft, not evil.
It's the person that has the money, not the money itself.
Right. What did I say before witchcraft? What made me bring up witchcraft? What was you talking about? What somebody say? God damn it. I be talking so
Niggas was talking about what to do with money. Like
what to do with money. Yeah. Life is other perspective. What you do with money is other perspective. All that good shit. Y'all get the point. Y'all get the point, man. You know what I'm saying? Like it's a lot deeper. It's a lot deeper than what motherfuckers think, bro. Like this life is a lot deeper. I say this shit every single time we on Zoom, y'all. It's a lot deeper than just getting up, going to work, and doing this shit, bro. Life is just, we're not on this earth, you feel me, to make money, bro. Believe it or not, we're not. You see what I'm saying? Money is the tool that keeps us trapped. This is what it is, bro. Feel me?
Hey, by the way, you throwing all this on YouTube? Because I think you're still recording.
Yeah, all us on YouTube. They get the sauce for free. Y'all come back and watch this bitch. Ooh. I'm finna content this bitch up. So you know I'm finna clip. You know I'm finna clip this bitch down. Bah, 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 Instagram. I'm telling you, nigga. Word. I mean, yeah, man. This shit, it's a lot deeper. This. I mean, I've been watching a lot of shit on TikTok lately. You know, TikTok is very, very informative. And I've been on that motherfucker. Some of y'all ain't on the right side of TikTok. Some of y'all niggas on the funny side of TikTok. I gotta get on the woke side of TikTok, but you learn a lot more. You'll learn a lot, bro. And I've been doing a lot of studying these last few days, and I mean, I ain't gonna say what I've been studying yet, simply because I haven't mastered it, or not mastered it, but you know what I mean. I want to make sure that all the information that I spit is correct before obviously telling y'all. But what I will say is, like I don't mean to sound repetitive, but life is just a lot deeper than what motherfuckers think. We're stressing about the wrong things, y'all. We are. You know what I mean? Manifestation is real. Our realities are real. And we can literally manifest whatever the fuck life we want to. And that shit sounds like bullshit until you figure out it's fucking true. It's like shit that they put in movies and shit that should be true as hell, but because they put it in your face, you think it's fake. Like, this shit is real, bro. This shit is real as hell. You know what I mean? Like, it's changing your reality off of a thought process is so fucking real, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Like, and that's why I keep stressing the fact that it's not money, bro. Like, it's more or less mental, bro. It's more or less spiritual, and how you carry yourself. You know what I'm saying? And how much you believe that you're going to be what you say you are. You dig what I'm
Talk your
saying?
shit.
Y'all, I'm dead ass, bro. Like word on game. That's why y'all done heard me say this shit a million times. The second I stopped focusing on money is the second I started making money. You know what I'm saying? And once again, it's hard to say that, or it's hard to get that if you're still struggling with getting paid. And so it's like it's hard to say, it's hard to hear that shit out. Like, nigga, what the fuck you mean? Don't focus on making no money, and I don't got no money right now. Bro,
Chills. You giving me chills.
bro, these is facts. These is facts. I mean, I'm speaking on shit that I've living through. Like, nigga. Bro, I done showed y'all my fucking affirmation book, like where I sit here and write shit down every motherfucking morning. Like I done showed y'all a million different goddamn things. I am a nigga that believed all this shit prior to it happening. I am a nigga that knew that I would make music on trade and it would blew up prior to it happening. I believe every single thing, like everything that I say I am, and I know that I am. That's fuck say. Everything that I know that I am. You understand? I knew that I was that before I had it. You can listen to old Trader Talk songs. I'm talking about shit that I never did until today. It manifests itself. You understand? What song I say? This is a Cartier up on my wrist, up next gonna be a Patek. And then what about an Audemars Piguet? What the fuck is we talking about? I got playing songs. I'm like up in the foreign around with stars on the roof. They put stars on the BMW. Like, nigga, I be manifesting the fuck. I'm on the yacht, fucking bad bitches, getting hit on the boat.
Hold on now.
Manifested
Man,
that
that
shit.
shit going
That
for real.
side eye was diabolical.
Hold on now.
Tell him all. Yeah. All I'm gonna say is, manifestation is real, brother man. Manifestation is real. You have to know who you are prior to get there, or else it's not gonna work. How the fuck I'm gonna believe in you more than you believe in yourself, nigga? What the fuck? What the fucky? You know what I mean? It just don't make sense. You know what I mean? You gotta visualize it, bro. You gotta dream it. Nigga, I dream me performing on stage, performing Trader Talk songs, nigga. Then look at us now. Starting somewhere. I dreamt this shit years ago. I dreamt all the shit that I'm doing years ago, bro. I don't even mean to sound repetitive. I swear to God I don't, but it's just something that you just kind of got to understand. I can't even tell you how the fuck to do it. You know what I'm saying? Like, how do I manifest it, nigga? I don't know. You just have to understand what the fuck you are looking for, but you got to understand what you want in life. What do you want to be? Some of y'all niggas just want money and then don't know what the fuck you gonna do with the money. That's why you're not getting none. You understand? Because your goal is simply money. You don't got no passion besides getting money, and that's not your fault, right? Because once again, all we know is get money. That's all we fucking know. You know what I'm saying? To the point where we sacrifice our morals sometimes. All right, we sacrifice the shit that we don't want to fucking do and do want to do just to pay the bills. I posted shit on my story the other day. What if you didn't have to do that? What would you do with your free time? If you didn't have to work 8 to 12 hours a day every single day, but you can still make the same amount of money, if not more, what would you do with your day? What would you do with your day? Get high? No, yeah, see, that's what you fucked up at. See, talking from a nigga that do that. Y'all know how much I smoke. Don't do it. I drove myself into, I ain't gonna say a depression, but more or less like a stagnant point in my life. You know what I'm saying? To where I thought that, okay, bitch, I'm making all the money I need from this couch. Why the fuck do I gotta do anything else? So then as a result, I sit and I smoke weed all day and I play the game all day and I don't work out and I don't work on my diet and I don't grow no more mentally because I think I know everything already. And then you get to a point when you like, God damn, nigga, what the fuck else is there to do? You're gonna get bored with smoking weed all day. Promise you that. You're gonna get bored with that shit. Like, it's cool. It's cool to think about that shit now until you've done this shit for like a month. And you're like, all right, bro. And then do I have more purpose to me than just rolling blunts all day? This is what I'm thinking now. Talking to a nigga that I smoke a lot. Yeah, and I don't be doing shit neither. You see what I'm saying? I be right here at the crib. You know what I'm saying? So goddamn, I'm starting to have that self-realization moment. Like, God damn, nigga, like, do all you do is smoke? Like, what the fuck else do you do? Oh God, like, you feel me? And that has me opening myself up. That's why I signed up for a basketball league that I'm gonna be playing in for the next 3 months. Goddamn, that's why I'm doing the little extracurricular activities. That's how shit I never really done before. I went skydiving and shit. You feel what I'm saying? Like little dumb shit like that. Why? Because a young nigga starting to feel stagnant. I'm starting to feel as if I'm not growing no more. You know what I mean? And stagnancy is equivalent to dead. You understand? Stagnancy is equivalent to being dead. If you're not growing, you're dying. You feel what I'm saying? So goddamn, that's just where I'm at with it. Like, once again, think about that shit. This is a question that you don't have to ask on the Zoom, but just think about it, bro. If you did not have to work, what would you do? Some of y'all don't even know what your passions are because you haven't even had the opportunity to explore that side of you yet. You understand? You haven't even had that opportunity to be like, God damn, like, I actually like this. Or I actually don't. You know what I'm saying? Because you haven't even did the shit yet. You know how many experiences in life you have not done because we're too busy working?
That's sad.
It's sad as fuck. It's sad as fuck. I say this shit all the time. I say it. Y'all done heard me say shit a million times too. I can tell every single person on the Zoom right now, pack your bags and get ready to go to Miami tomorrow. Whole trip on me. And half of this call gonna tell me they can't go. Half of this call gonna tell me they can't go because they gotta work tomorrow. And it's tough. That's tough. That's tough. I say, everybody pack your bags. We're going to Dubai right now. All you got to do is get to the airport, nigga. Everything on me. Oh, I got to work tomorrow.
Hey, what flight? What airline? Let me know.
I see. Oh, God. Yeah, see? Oh, God. See, some motherfuckers going to go. Some motherfuckers going to be scared because they scared to deal with the consequences of what you're going to do when you get back. All right? No, when I get back, I may not have no money or I'm going to miss out on a week's worth of money. I'm a week selling a week. That's what you know what that's called? Dependency. That's what it's called. Dependency. I'm so dependent on these motherfuckers. I can't even live my own goddamn life. Ain't that some shit? This is my life, nigga. I'm the one that control these limbs, nigga. I'm the one that do like this, nigga. You not making me do like this. Hey, you not making me do this right here, is you? I'm doing this. Huh? Hey, Fred, you not controlling this, is you? I'm doing this right here. You feel me? You not making me do that. So with that being said, like, how the fuck is another motherfucker gonna control the thoughts and the decisions that I'm making, like, because I'm scared of what this motherfucker gonna goddamn think. Shit, just like Christianity, nigga. It's just like Christianity. I'm scared of me. I'm scared of this happening to me. So as a result, I gotta live this way. I ain't scared of shit. Not no more. Not no more. Because once again, money comes and money goes. You can be broke today and be rich tomorrow. Money ain't shit. What is shit? Your time, your morals, right? You, your family, your friends. Some of y'all got kids. I know you want to be with them all day, every day, 24/7. Watch them grow. Some of you can't. You got to work. All right? What if you didn't? What would you do with your kids all day? Huh? Word on game. Like, these are things you need to ask yourself. If you drop everything today, what would you do for the rest of your life? That you would be happy to do. What are you happy to do? Think about that. Just think about that shit, y'all. Think about that shit and use that as flame and motivation to get yourself to where you want to be happy at. Drop a 1 in chat if you happy with what you do on an everyday basis. Happy, like you would do it for the rest of your life. I'll drop a 1. I like what I do. I'll drop a 1.
I transition my hustle into teacher. I'm just doing Forex for the funding.
Oh God, there you go. Oh God, there you go. There you go. All right. You see how many people dropping 1s versus how many people's on the call? Exactly. Exactly. You know what I'm saying? Everybody that's dropping 1s already got, probably 9 times out of 10 already got their own business or already trading, right? Like fucking Tyler. That bitch don't do shit. That nigga don't gotta lift a finger for the rest of his fucking life. Bitch don't even gotta trade if he don't want to. Nigga set in stone. So of course he love what the fuck he do. That nigga Tyler fucking got that bitch getting paid to the point where that bitch don't even gotta do nothing. He loves cooking. The bitch went and paid to go to school. Half of us be scared to go in debt to go to school. This nigga paid to go to school. You understand? Do you understand the difference? Yeah, right. When you really want to do some shit, you gonna do it. Right? It's crazy, bro. It's crazy as hell. You got motherfuckers like who else on this bitch? Corey, once again, he teaching niggas how to trade. Easy. If you don't find passion in that, you in it for the wrong reason. I love the shit. Right? I get paid to breathe. The army pays for it. You get it? So when you got your time back, now you can do whatever the fuck you do want to do. Tyler, what you like to do, bro? What you like to do? You like to cook? What else you like to do? You playing the game and shit, bro? What you do on a daily basis?
I play the game every day. I hit the gym. I do Muay Thai throughout the week, and I do class Monday and Saturdays. I really just be chilling. If it wasn't for school Saturday, I'd be in a different state in every weekend if I wanted to, honestly.
Feel me? And why? Because he can. Because he can. The question is, can you? And if you can't, you need to work to be able to do so. You need to work to be able to do so, bro. God willingly, niggas is able to go wherever the fuck they want to go at any point, at any time. Like a nigga can call me right now in Cali and be like, hey, bro, be here tonight, and I'll be there. You know what I'm saying? That is what the skill set gives you. That is what this shit brings, bro. It brings you back your fucking life. Once again, this shit is a lot deeper than just going to work, bro. We not supposed to be here doing this shit. We not supposed to be paying for shit that we supposed to have natural, like food, water, and shelter. You understand? This shit is corrupt. It's corrupt and chill. Let me check the chat, man. Let me see the chat, man. It's corrupt in here. Well, I don't work and spend my time with my baby, but and financially stable. But I want to learn how to trade. I want to learn to master it. Let me say, shut the fuck up. Tyler. Hey, Jay Briscoe. Jay Briscoe.
It's stack the fuck up for Tyler. It's not shut the fuck up. Remember?
Oh, you said it's stop the fuck up. I'm weak as hell. Yeah. I do remember.
Stack
the fuck up. Stack the fuck up. That's what he said.
Yeah.
That's what he said. All right, word. Type shit. I thought you were saying shut the fuck up, which that's what you usually say to motherfuckers. Your ass stay trolling motherfuckers on game. Word up. You stay talking
I
shit.
couldn't do him like that, though. He was so sweet. He was so sweet. I couldn't do him like that. I felt bad.
Yeah,
so I had to switch it up for.
That's hard. See, Tyler, you made Jay Briscoe have a change of heart, boy. You must got something I don't. Because usually she would have flamed the shit out your ass by now. Oh, God, would have been told you to shut all the way the fuck up, nigga. Like all the way. I'm telling you. Need to talk about some all right, let me check these charts real quick, man. I'm off that though. If y'all want to continue this conversation, by all means, add on. I kind of feel like I'm kind of getting repetitive at this point, so I don't want to keep saying the same damn thing. I think I'll get the point of what I'm trying to say. If anybody wants to add on, by all means, you know what I'm saying? Go crazy. But if not, you know what I'm saying? I'm looking at this Nas CR Tizzle right here. I told you I was looking for a body. And she look like she want to goddamn do something. To the 2 hour, to the 1 hour, to the 1 minute. Yeah. These lows equal right here. It's gonna be getting back in blood time real soon, yo. It's 141 too. That's a run on stops. This right here is our Model 1. We then came back and retested Model 1 twice. Equal high still stand. I'm finna fuck around and go for it again, nigga. Oh, don't leave me though. I'm finna fuck around and go for this bitch again. I just want a little pullback. Like if I can get like this right here, I'll go for it again. And ICT this week, yeah. I heard that nigga dropped some new sauce and Romeo got some new sauce. And I'm trying to get down on it.
Bro, he got a whole new fib. They got niggas trading on the damn premium and a discount on a wick, literally.
Whole new fib is crazy. I don't like switching up strategies now. I don't like that. Oh God, I don't like when niggas got them teach me one thing and then switch it all up. I don't like all that now. Yeah, we're gonna see what the fuck we talking about though. We're gonna see what we talking about. Hey, if you got, hey, I ain't gonna lie, I'm finna go for this little buy. Let me see. It's like a good area to try and go for it again, bro. She couldn't even close below this inversion. Let me see how this pullback looks right here. Let me see how this bitch looks. Let me see how this bitch holds his weight. I ain't gonna buy it yet. Let me see how this bitch holds his weight. This bitch hold his weight. And I'm like, damn, we're gonna put that belt. If you got balls, just buy right now. Put your stop. Yeah, it's a real low risk. Put your stop right here. Look at that reaction. Look at that reaction. That's what we want to see. Oh, want to see a couple closures like that, nigga. We'll go for the get it back in blood real quick. On some Monday shit. That's a good close. Great close. Wicking off that 50% perfectly. Retesting Model 1 again. I mean, so once again, we see these candles continue to respect here. We can fuck around and go for it. Yeah. In the meantime, I'll keep an eye on this. I ain't gonna stay on Zoom too long, Joe. Does anybody have any questions, comments, concerns, or anything we went over today? Any charts y'all want me to look at? Things of that nature. Ask away. If not, we out of here. ICTs, but yeah, for any of my CS members, y'all free today? What y'all got going?
We in the goddamn CRT rodeo rest of the day.
Yeah.
Let's have a watch party.
Yeah, y'all on Charlie's Day, y'all wanna get down on it? Y'all wanna get down with it, get down? Huh?
Yeah, let's have a watch party.
You know, we can get down with it, get down today, man. We can get down with it, get down. Yeah, Slayers, that's why you gotta be a part of my community. That's why you gotta be a one-on-one mentee. Get calls like this. We finna get down on the get down. We finna get down to the mentorship shit.
I'm on my goddamn way, man. I'm on my fucking way.
That's why you gotta get the mentorship. You can only get calls like that when you come on the mentorship. Pay that little ticket, I'm gonna get you right. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we finna have a watch party. I'm actually
how long we gonna still be 3K though? Because I'm almost there.
3K is the price right now until further notice. I ain't gonna change that. You know what I mean?
All right, bet.
3K is that's a stat price right now.
I don't see what you got now, Fred. We put you on the layaway plan. Keep up with it for you.
What you say?
Tell my boy, I don't see what he got now. We'll put him on the layaway, motherfucker.
No, tell you, we go ahead and put you on. We gotta put you on layaway real quick. Yeah, we put you on pre-order. You know what I'm saying? Put you on go ahead and lock in that motherfucker right now. You know what I mean?
I got some shit going. Yeah.
Oh shit. Ooh, I'm finna get a Zelle. Oh, all right. Hey, look at gold. I'm not gold, Nas. I'm looking at these candles. I like it as of now. But I'm not in it yet for that ass. I am not in it yet. I'm not in it. I don't mind like not having a sniper. Like I don't mind letting this bitch come up here and then I'll buy it on the way up. I don't mind that. I want to make sure for 100% fact this gap holds its weight before I enter.
So you trying to go 1 hour with CRT or the 4 hour?
1 hour. I can really, it's 1 hour CRT and it's 2 hour. The 2 hours forming itself too. 4 hour ain't there yet. This is 1 hour. It's a 1 hour. Once again, our Model 1 candle was here. We done close on top of this bitch. We tested this bitch once, twice. We just retested the third time. She's holding her weight. That bitch looking good. Yep. All right. Now I enter now. I'm fucking with it now. Yeah, that's what I wanted to see right now. Shit. Find y'all way to fuck in that bitch. Find y'all way in. SL down here. Same TPs as earlier. Find y'all way in that bitch. That bitch looking good too. Especially if she close on top of this gap. Once she do that, that bitch gone. Close on top of that bitch wraps. But she's giving beautiful reactions. I'm liking what I see. You know what I mean? So yeah, fire y'all way in if you're fucking with it. Stop below this low down here. Go find that low on y'all brokers, 24,618, somewhere around there. And take it up to the same high as y'all take it to earlier. And see how this motherfucker holds and roll the price. Either in and now, or wait for her to close on top of this bitch right here for extra confirmation.
Extra. Spread high as fuck.
The spread high to don't fuck with you. Y'all know why spread gets high. Like when the spread's high, that's
because volume about to kick in.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's when you. I ain't know spread was that high. What broker you using?
I'm on Hanko. That shit is like 15 right now.
Be cautious. Be smart on y'all entries, y'all. Be smart on y'all entries. You know what I'm saying?
Man, Hanko blew my shit last week. Trace, for this next wave, next trader wave shit, is the only USD, no Bitcoin or nothing like that?
Yeah,
to
Bitcoin.
fund up.
That's Bitcoin.
I said, what you mean? What you saying? They BTC.
Add a wallet for it. I think you go to like funds or something like that, and then deposit. And you the first tab, it's gonna deposit USD. Then on the second one, it'll ask you what's your payment form, and you're gonna select BTC.
Withdrawals bumping too. I just got a withdrawal from their ass. I'll show y'all too. It wasn't nothing too crazy. I got 2 withdrawals last week. One was from Hanko and one was from NTW. And although this withdrawal wasn't big at all, like I'm telling you right there, she won't nothing but like fucking $200. because most of my money came from Hanko last week. So I withdrew $1,200 from Hanko on some slight shit, and then an extra $200 from NTW. So the point isn't about the withdrawal. The point is that it came through fast. I'm trying to find the 2 emails of where I put in the fucking shit, and then when it came through, so I can show y'all like how fast the withdrawal process was. Gate. It might not be on this email. It's on my phone. My bad. It's on my phone. I'm gonna look at it on and say my phone got them dead. But I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna drop the screenshots in the chat. That shit literally came through with like 2 hours. So it wasn't like I haven't got withdrawals that came within 5 minutes, 10 minutes. We done did with Hanko, and them bitches take 24 hours. You know what I'm saying? NTWs, they right there in the middle. It's fair. It's manageable for shit show.
Nigga, I'm texting you. You see me texting you? Your phone dead?
Yes, it's dead as hell.
I'm crying.
Yeah, it's dead as hell. Dead in the motherfucker.
That's why you be getting cursed out.
Yeah, everybody be cussing me out. Y'all know how many people did. Y'all know how many people be telling me that I ain't shit because I don't answer the phone, not knowing that I don't even be by my phone, or that bitch be dead, or I'm already on Zoom or some shit like that. You gotta cut me some slack. I mean, cut me some slack. But yeah, that's about it. Y'all got any more questions for your boy? That's a good call. We've been on this bitch about goddamn 2 hours or something. You know what I mean? Good call. Everything's on YouTube too, so you feel me? Y'all can go and rewatch this motherfucker a million times. I'm gonna start doing this shit every time we do a goddamn a live trading. I mean not live, a markup, and then I'm gonna do it for live trading sessions too, but not it'll be more or less like after we've taken position, after that bitch is already halfway to TP type shit. Like I ain't gonna give everybody no free ass trades type shit. But I get us on the call. We'll got to mark up the chart. We'll get in position. We'll get about halfway to TP. Then I'll live zoom that bitch on YouTube so they can like get the breakdown and shit. So say that to say it's gonna be a lot of content that y'all can come on this bitch and study, especially if you're not one of my students, to be tapped in for my YouTube channel to get all this shit. All right. And yeah, that's about it. All right. Y'all got more questions for me? Love you guys. Amazing call today. We're gonna have an amazing week. It is NFP. So once again, be safe, y'all. I don't recommend trading heavy in the beginning of the week. You know what I mean? Today, chill. We already got that belt put on us. All right, it is what it is, nigga. Let that belt be that belt. Come back later on in the week and goddamn yeah. You see what I'm saying? One red folder tomorrow. I think the big dog red folders are Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and obviously NFP is Friday. So I wouldn't start really trying to empty the clip on shit until Wednesday. But we'll see what's up tomorrow. We live tomorrow 10 a.m., Wednesday 10 a.m., and Thursday and Friday at Thursday at 8:30 for unemployment claims, and then Friday at 8:30 for NFP. All right, so 10, 10, 8:30, 8:30. That's our schedule for the week. All right. See y'all then. All right. Love you guys. Have a good rest of y'all day. Be ready for that trailer talk. They be about to drop. Ooh, shit. All right.